Alright, short and spicy. Let me start with something like this.
Yeah, Young Gun Sound, this is Dwayne Steve. Indian big myself Steve, KK, KG big myself Jafari, you don't know say lad. Scooby, you don't know Big D, the most famous Latin rocking. Well, Clash get nice. Me said that Clash shall get nice tonight. Some guns we kill a sound boy all twice. In a dance song, Lord. Roping, but jump and sound while you're running. When Young Gun Sound playing, tin pan sounds will be slaying. Such exceed. Sound boy broke and can't buy it. Them say them bad but them lying. Try this Young Guns and know them dying. Lord mercy. I watch a fool's running. Big bad sound, Young Guns. Boy, Young Guns. So how we kill that sound in at the time? Oh, Young Guns, kill that sound in at the time. We put the plate on them, we put the plate on them. The plate on them, we put the plate on them. That's how we kill that sound in at the time. We not fair, no boy. Young Guns no play. We kill sound any night and any day. Hey, what to the boy? Chop. What them man go do when them get them beating? Young Gun kill them in them conspiring. What them man go do when them get them beating? Young Gun card, they will finna the cheap card again. What them man go do when them Young Guns are quickness. Straight 6 for 6 them ago. Young Guns, let them know. When the nurse on the bend, when the chihuahua so that when I'm powder. Young Guns original and them a real sound killer. When the nurse on the bend, when the chihuahua so that when I'm powder. Young Guns ram dance all, oh yeah. Soon Clash time again, sound a go dead now, oh Lord. They don't say a Young Guns time again, a sound a go dead now, whoa. Easy jump and sound boy, cool and hold your space my friend. Those who fight and run away cannot come back and play again. A sound Clash time again.
Young Guns beat them like grand board. Oh fucking hell. Young Guns I modest, you know. Here. Let them face it. No little boy can't start tough in a Young Guns place. Come on, I tell them feedback them face. Yo, some pussy like y'all them chase. Young Guns sound, who no rifle bust loud like thunderball. Watch out tougher, run go fall. The dog them a brick bull, none no small. Yo, KQ, rifle strike like lightning.
Nah, I still love is love, the war is ugly. If you see me with my dub box, man, it don't trouble me. They about to flick a Young Guns race sound boy dead from them days sing. Yeah. Gunshot to your brain. We murder son and send them off to the grave. Hey Young Guns, you're bad, you're bold and you're brave. They up on a kill sound campaign. Wow.
Young Guns sound. Any sound that's Young Guns sound, them jump and I go get yes, deep in my heart I know Young Guns are gonna murder you. Whoa. So Young Guns kill the sound, murder sound. Sound boy life gone away, wicked.
Talk to them.
Murder them. When I see sound boy become the enemy, you know we kill them from far. No for them not ready for the war. Young Guns tell them say, dirty sound boy I go get doom. They make us jump and I put down in a tomb. Sound boy shall surely fade away, and I know.
Bad people move. Young Guns sound tell them move. Fucking hell. Get some sound say. You know not up to your name. Virgin trigger finger. Make bullet fly to you. Over your casket I say goodbye. Young gun son, tell them no boy can't box up on that joy.
Brooklyn massive, Bermuda, Space, Jamaica, shit. Kill another jumping sound. Oh Almighty Savior divine, coop another sound boy. Young gun sounding so fine. Kill another jumping sound.
Style.
Old people say, if you test young guns, you will get cut down.
Yeah, you be kill man, and kill man. Young guns, man a bad man. Well tell a boy, feel them bad like a steel plate, line up them chest. Well a young guns, them fit test. Come, walk to them, leave me business, leave us. It's young guns, we don't take no talk, no informer. None of them no walk, round here after that. Young guns them, I got you spy them for die. Cup a shot in on them heart, I win on them, I hollow pint of sleep.
Young gun sound. New York, Jamaica, Trinidad, Bermuda, International. Christopher Ellis. Yeah. This is special. We are special. Killing time. Some sound don't play one drop because they don't know what to do. It's true. Them pull up too fast, they can play the plates like my sound do. Cause we play rubber duck for you. Yeah. Rubber duck for you. Who we play rubber duck for you. Dance all and one drop too. Look.
Believe with them. All we keep big bags as a secret. The people need it. We feel it. A young gun sound can't defeat it. We play, don't play it with meaning. A gun shot in at them face if them this way. Fool them a god, real. And a be a bumbo clap big, don't play the boss play. And a young gun son, we can jump on anywhere. You want see man a run up and down, I said that a fall. A young gun son, we tell them, we just talk to them. A young gun son, we no giant argument. Though some man a go on like, say them hard for dead. Race out the clip, where them want to say, man born fighter. Them not go live for long. Them not go live for long. Young guns, them man.
See yo, it's no motherfucking thing, young guns. You understand? Alright then. Young guns, buddy. A nightmare when the dog them up here. Shoot boy in a face and no can in a ear. My take a change like you're in a gear. Hear me now, young guns. Gunshot in a face and no tough chatting. Chat up in a them made from the old barrel. We chop up boy body and punch a ribs. When you know about them, don't know about that. Chop off head with a cutlass, but down house anybody move gunshot. Bleed from the bed, set like compass. Young guns pull up out of the we link with the sea, who know what score that. So we kill one and who no pussy, who no know that. Bun on your house, make it off 4 gas in a mouth and light boy body hold that. Man they feel the amount of man we kill. One link, one girl, one other straight back to the grill. Up top cam, go suck your mother with no big friend boy. All of them are dead boy, young guns are the taros. Them send for the whole of man dead back anyway. All them boy get to a top, but your mother part the whole I know what you thought a young gun play for them up to shoot one and a pussy I wanna do. No more, bumble, yo young gun, you mess with the gun people. We make the case sing, bro. Them gonna big when young guns shoot. Young guns body. Black chip, young guns murder them quick. Young guns a kill a bag of sound gun chatting them out. Ramp with them other food. Young guns a funeral now. Mama show sound a drop a gun.
Hey, them not do no harm. Sit on the yam, boy, put out in a land. Bumbo clock, yeah, them fuck and run the click. Get too ignorant. And young guns, from them this one, try know them this all. Fucking clip tall, no care no response. Could we a big pan, they rise in zigzag. Right foot chop them up, so more like mix spots. Instant dead, young guns man, when KK step.
Tell them how I go and deal with your boy. Be a rifleman, or them a gut pipe. I want him on a choke like say them do skydive. Yo, young guns, murder with the human over there and I tell them. Tell them run up and run in I cover. Headshot Young guns dying for them start to fool last one the AR-15.
Big up Young Gun songs, you know. One world, one order, one lick. Big up Trinidad, New York, Bermuda. Quick, Young Guns, you don't know if you code and run to represent it.
Time.
Yes,
Wanna do it? Go!
All right, that was just the introduction round. So we're gonna keep it like we said, short and spicy, because we want the class to continue to be nice. Coming up next, introduction round, 10 minutes, same thing. What's that?
Wanna do it? Go. I hear what? Anytime you play your last song, as long as it now, in the final time, we make the last song play. My body, Young Guns. Wanna know it? Go. We are human beings, though. But here we go on. That was the first 10 minutes for Young Guns non-elimination round. Right now, all the way out of Jamaica over the sea, London JFK Kennedy, touchdown for the 9-5, drive over Brooklyn Bridge and there. Notorious International. For them first 10 minutes, non-elimination round. But I know what go.
Now that you're gone, jump and son boy, notorious sound will have to play on. Son boy feels unsure, has notorious sound, bust the dance floor as the music rise and the people rejoice. Somebody get to realize that he has been brutalized. You never gonna play again. Guilty feelings got no reason. Though you're trying to pretend, tonight you carry aim. You should have known better not to take our sound. We've given you chances that you wasted. Though you're never gonna play again, we're not tourists done with you.
Welcome people, you know this is Bagian Mary represent Notorious Block La International. Welcome people, no good? Kaya, your birthday, aka Warde, turn up. Because me never see so much woman in the class, this look good. No people? Big up all of the, yes thank you. Big up all of the proud mothers in the place. If you are mothers, put up on your hand. Yes, I am mother too. And this artist may I play? It's my daughter named Alima. So let's go.
Well, this is Alimar, representing for Notorious International Sound. Any sound boy test? Dead. Select a boy, don't try be a hero. All your life I play zero. Notorious sound a soldier, killing sound as the time goes. Take a Shaba is a leader, but girl Maria sound killer. Oh, when you are older, you want to sound it together. Notorious rise up, big clock them again. Sound boy run out of time. Them boy are too bad mind. Notorious don't them shine again. Kill soul across the world. I could a boy a play with girl. We and them can unite. Ready for take some boy life. So many selects are losing their life. When I left the survivor, when them we lighter. Notorious sound represent Jamaica. Tonight a sound boy die again.
Now hear this. This is Stephen Marley speaking. Notorious sound, a top lion sound scene. Shaba, Bad Gal Marie, Dave and Magnum. Lion. We came with a kill sound, Notorious with the clash. My sound is champion, them sound is trash. This night going too good, don't fall for the games. He said, she said, we got a whole lot of dubs, make a whole lot of dumping. Sound boy park up and run, and leave now if you love. They select a bleach out them face, and dub them some monkey. But you know what, this gon' be Notorious making history tonight. So why you just run out of the options? I can
international, believes in it, the champagne, good girl, marine, and crackers. And my sister, only man who lies to us. So, way down. Simon sound is doomed to die. In this dance it's just war with strife. Grief and terror and tongues of pain. Notorious sound, come set things straight. For I can hear little shout by the champion.
Oh Lord have mercy, Notorious International I go play. Hey, check the mods, Notorious sound I go clash tonight. So we know say them afraid. Cause what? Anywhere we go, me say we win the fight. Sound boy run up in your dead. Notorious sound play the best around here. And we murder jump on everywhere. Them say play it. Tonight we not go give them no second chance. Notorious International a murder clown like we did. Notorious a killer song tonight. Oh Lord, Lord. Who them want to clash, them must see bright. Hey, check this now. Me thankful so that up ya just kick over them turntable. Murder certain jump and yes we willing and we able. Fi kill cause we are done. As humble as alarm when the time for murder sound. You don't need no help in the hand. Play field and strength of life and length and peace of mind. Anywhere we step them need for no one killing time. In every single line, even if it no rhyme. Notorious a killer sound tonight. Notorious a kill jump on.
Someone like crackers. Hey, stop out the chances, it was a crowded night, a night like this when I walked into the dance hall. But I listened to the music played for me, played by Notorious sound. As the music touched down in the lawn, brought tears to a soundboard's face. I said to myself that I must rise and tell the human race, cause I know Notorious sound was made to serve Jah.
Call on Notorious sound. Call on Notorious. Yeah. Call on the sound. Call on the sound. Notorious. Call on the sound. Call on the sound. Notorious. Notorious sound. Oh. Notorious, you a star up in the sky. Notorious sound around the dance. Yeah, you made it. Oh, Notorious sound the greatest. And that little bit of hope when some sound against the ropes, they can feel it. Oh, Notorious sound the greatest. Notorious the mountain. Notorious the country.
Ah, yeah. Notorious sound a play. Your face say you're heavy and you're bright, yo. Just Notorious sound now you die well. This how you gonna know it and that's how you are gonna know. We are the real champion for life. Hey, your face say you're heavy and you're bright. You're this Notorious sound, then you die well. So them are gonna know it.
Never see so many people be down selfie coming and Notorious are playing for the ceiling. Notorious confidence of the singing. Oh, do you mean? Oh, I feel the vibes and smoke is right. Notorious are playing tonight.
Wait on, it's not a surprise, man. You know it's a Notorious sound. Yes. See it, yeah? No. Notorious for them sound. Gun them down. That's how I say don't waste your time. Jump and sound. Notorious sound. I gon' murder them now. Them get gunned down in the zone.
boy they are not threat. Them boy they are not threat. Them this notorious until them a sudden death. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound they are not threat. Them this way a mistake. Them a met. Alright. And the more them try to kill, when the more we live longer. More them try to make, when the more we get stronger.
It's a deal, Mr. Ricky. Golly God. What a notorious song. Anyway. Yeah, Miss Shabba. Yep. Look at Shabba. You hear them sit down and them want to hear with it. Time to hear with it. They laugh and yam the fish and bread.
Heard them in the motherfucking English, you know. Notorious, them a go tired fishy we face. Can't get to you, how we know in no race. From Kingston to Chorus, how them dog, yeah, them set fi stand before us. Well, notorious no pass when them a kill people. Inna the ghetto, notorious of the evil. I take it murder, jump and see y'all reason. So little killer talk, so little killer talk.
Chut. Bumbleclad.
That was just the introduction. That was just the introduction round.
10-minute introduction round, no elimination. And me I beg you please, no live stream, please. Team Torment they have for that. So no know where go.
Yes.
If me like how you want to look for early.
No, that's a serious thing. Kaya asks, if you are streaming, you will be asked to leave. Please do not disrespect Kaya. This is her war strong, as we're calling it. Her war day, pardon, you know, it's extra. Her war day, so she's asking to just allow Team Torment to do the recording of tonight's Atomic War 2022. So please, if security finds you recorded, they're just gonna simply ask you to leave. No argument, no fight, no fuss, no argument. Right, Chico?
See, I'm saying a lady treasure.
Yeah.
Una na look for the treasure in your so una need to go live. Treasure, they are ready. So una know where go. Hear me so now, second round. And the round here, second round.
25 minutes.
25 minutes.
25 minutes.
And we are going forward. So, all of them songs that we play a while ago, una know where go. Introduction round, no elimination. Young Guns, Lady Treasure, tell them
ready up, ready.
Yeah. Check. First of all, good night, New York. Big up on yourself. Brooklyn, make some noise. Hold on. I just want to say happy birthday again. Going out to Lady Kaya. Make some noise for Lady Kaya. Before me start, all who know say life is the most important thing. But just want to big up to Little Shabba. Big up Little Shabba. We know for the last couple years, he's been living with a life-threatening disease, and him take the war. Because them say bad mind is the worst disease. And the pussy been living with bad mind for about 7 years. Me say, him run out and him put on a Power Ranger suit one day. So me say my Batman symptom. Two things Brooklyn are like. Batman and blood-clad bad mind. But before we start, KK, all who give thanks for life, put up your hand in the air. All the people them, play that tune.
Prince Cam Music sound like a Young Guns sound. One link, one world, one other, you know. Brooklyn.
Tonight you're going to get some different songs.
Yes, that's the fire.
If you love God, put your God thing in the air.
I can't even choose which is mine, you know. Bless the Almighty. A Young Guns sound.
All who say God.
I thank you, just. Young Guns. Oh Lord, oh no.
All who say God, you know what?
I thank you, Jah. Killer sound this morning. I thank you, Jah. Oh, glorious morning.
People, we tell you tonight you're going to get some different songs.
Young Guns, I say.
All who say who God let Snowman curse. You see that next song?
Young gun sound. Young gun sound.
Brooklyn, don't listen. Listen to that song, yeah.
Soon I go dead yeah tonight. Kill them all. Oh. Young guns are gonna murder them tonight and return alone.
Let go.
The clash won't be over till young guns turn them over. Oh, so they in the land tonight.
Get ready? Start you up.
And I say, yeah, this is what we do when the old God is passing through. Murder sound, disco sound, burial sound. It's like air again, worries again. Down guns in the place.
They're pushing them dead tonight.
Worries again.
You see tonight?
Guns and ways. Worries in the dark.
Level. Him running and play a song. First counteraction from night. They can make them know. Tell it.
Cause I ain't never seen it before.
First counteraction from night. Notorious.
Never see so many people deep down the Africa mean. Men not chorus and they dump on the scene. I'll take a shot for girl Marie.
Think I want to. And I skip a moment. We on the mount of you. Tony, let's go.
New York.
Young gun sound, tell them answer what. Young gun sound, God make a little plan. So when the mother kick off the show and I secretly, this.
All who have ambition, 200 a year. From you have ambition, 200 a year. Take him, make them know. Time. You see that song, Young Guns?
Young Guns. Young Guns are you teach some people. Oh, my knees and body slow. Don't get them for you. Don't be this
Level. When Kaya call me and Kaya say, KG, me want you clash Notorious. Me went to KK and me say, KK, then why you clash Bad Girl Marie? You know what KK tell me? Tell them!
Glad man stick with a fire. Boy, ever did I want to them.
When me went to KK and me say them why you clash Bad Girl Marie? You know what KK say?
Yeah, jump and fool him. Send out the Japanese then. So KK you bust.
Hold on. Hold on. Brooklyn, hold on. Big up all the Notorious fans in the place. All who come to see Notorious, put up your hand. Make some noise. Big up all the Young Guns fans them in the place and say Young Guns good.
Glad master.
Now man, play that there. Where the Young Guns fan them there?
Well, I don't know round about dumb songs as in a Young Guns. Me say who know that just a function. Stand up in an analog.
Here go. People, first round enough. First round.
And rotate by out of door. Cause a Young Gun play the crown. Tell them say we're ready now to give us sound boy a beat. It's the king of
any boy who can bad talking friend.
The Young Guns
is a. Yo, Shabba, let me tell you this.
Alright, sure. The words of corruption. It's the words of flesh. The words of flesh. The words of life. It's the words of life.
Make the bad man fight.
Oh no, look and now. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil.
KK, I no leg shot, I no chest shot. You see tonight?
Young Guns, tell them. Force it in a them blood clot parade. Let them bring a black like parade.
We see today the pussy that went by the Statue of Liberty.
Okay, young gun.
What the fuck them come Brooklyn for? You feel a honeymoon this?
I'm going to be dying.
This not a honeymoon pussy.
It's gonna be slow singing, slow as bringing my rock.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, Brooklyn. Hold on. Everybody keep asking me when KK start to play song. How she blood clot bad song. KK, tell them your story.
Psychology. Well, it's them a go get business. Find themselves up on the deck.
Them ask when KK start to play sound. Oh no, listen now.
KK start to play sound in 2020. And she kill about 6 sound already. Tonight she a go murder little Shabba and Mary. Dump them bad in a Beverly Road Cemetery. She will never lock them up.
Hold on. Play it. Hold on. Play it again.
Psychology. Well, if them this, them a go get dismissed. Find themselves up on the dead, soundless. Young guns who are chemists like this.
Make them know your story.
KK start to play sound in 2020. And she kill about 6 sound already. Tonight she a go murder little Shabba and Mary. Dump them bad in a Beverly Road Cemetery. She will never lock them up. He gets where we
on sound a bad man sound. Boom, boom, fabulous, kill people.
What a man from 90s, 50s, 40s. Where my Brooklyn man them there.
Next song. Alright, young guns. Right, yeah. Show me honor, all original diatic gunman where young guns are so. Show me honor stay. Well, if you ready to go take the bomb there.
And then we go so they.
Show me honor.
Level. Me what you tell you, whole of Brooklyn, where you come to do tonight? Tell the whole of Brooklyn, where you come to do? Yo.
Boss me gun sound dead tonight. You don't know who's in red tonight. My boss a shot in your head tonight. Young gun sound, no sound glass on.
Level.
Gun sound dead tonight.
All who red bounty killer, 2 a year. You see that bounty there? Brooklyn, we on there. Atomic war, tell them bounty.
No sound glass.
Guns are same. We no listen to that part, yeah. We no long talker. Here we go, no shatter. Blood a go run like water. Young guns are
all who say Batman for the 2 a year.
Young guns are
one thing New York don't like. Where the York gangster them there?
Young guns in the life of freestyle cause the hustle last touch in the head. Without fear in the middle of the street. Surrounded by jump and idiot son by who rise like undercover police. Some a sport no fear dub in a military sword. A military Humvee jeep. None of them a pussy, some a switch all up, sell out quick. These are the young guns when I shoot and miss. I tell you no we clever, some smart. And we kill them from the yard. And we dub them, take them just for a trip. Me say young guns and pressure them.
New York. Licky Shabba is a good selector, but he's a juggling selector. Mary is a good selector, but she's a juggling selector. All of a sudden one day that boy starts size up like him as some big killing zone. Who notorious ever kill? You can't play that song for that pussy there.
Without young guns there's no fun.
All of a sudden him start talking about clash like he's some big selector. Yo Shabba, tell him.
We don't know why them say them on top of the top. Don't go to the don't them in on no sound clash. And we don't know why them say them on top of the top. Take it out on them around.
Right! I say top of the
shoot them up. All the players and people root them up. I wonder what blood clot boots.
This is no baby shower tonight, you know.
Motherfucking it.
Pussy off it dead.
Sound a go dead. Tell them no kind of argument. When young guns them a kill, and we not take statement. Pussy boy dead.
Sentin, you all at Trinidad, Orlando, Brooklyn.
Where is it?
It's some blood.
When you see Shabba and Mary walk in, where you tell me?
Young gun.
Where you tell me?
Yo.
Where you tell me?
Alright. None of them can kill young guns at all. Them head will bounce like ball.
Everything a bad sound things. Them know what that? Them know how?
We not save no lead tonight.
Look how young guns kill some.
We are save no lead tonight.
Kill some. Them hold the trigger in a pussy and the damn
empty. Now the chica put it in a stick like you're 20. Show them yeah, Mr. Spency. Chat them jump intensely. Take on the bill, and the comfy, the people them see. When they want the chica in a boy, head gonna empty. Now the chica put it in a
rapid fire, Kiki, rapid fire.
Yeah, Mr. Spency.
Everybody do so. Everybody do so.
Do so. J-White, your young guns. Shot them, make them spread out, and go spread out, and tongue blood out, and run a blood out, and come through leg out, and long try beg out, and done them dead out.
And look clean, Bermuda, Gold and Sentinels, the damn man race. Indians, Steve man.
Wanna think tune done? Wanna better have tune enough?
New York,
Junior P money, I spend enough.
Hey, young guns are soldiers in a sound clash. Young guns sound a soldier.
Kaya, big up yourself.
In a sound clash. Give me now. Young guns gonna run the place. Scooby say with a run rat race.
Big up my Bermuda family, Jamaica.
That's the only place.
Trinidad.
So let's say Brooklyn, New York, and J.A. Loyally and I remain. Would you send to do the same?
Hey, young guns up in the world.
Oh, fuck yeah!
Young guns sound and run the place. Scooby say with a run rat race. She never sound by the grace.
Remember to the whole of Brooklyn. But you're going on in the air. All who read Mojo Bantan, Mojo. All who read Mojo, tell
Young guns in the army. The think I know the boost of them one way. Then about the kinds and sound somebody welcome to my car. I one time can ask you like what is it? You don't know what?
Juggle, my selector, juggle.
Mama, 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 young guns and murderer. Papa, papa, papa to kill so much charge for.
You see tonight?
Sound for that, young guns in our side no lay. Don't talk about something on sound boy and sound for that.
Tiny motherfucking niggas, you know what time, man.
If him feel him can't talk on that war, him get fucked tonight.
Okay. Hey yo,
idiot boy. Let me tell you this.
The last I watch him speech and him words what him say. Killer is here, young guns them willing. It's all the work how we ain't skilling. All time style for one young man them scalp him. This a young guns tell them we don't fear no one.
How a big man can run out in a Power Ranger suit and talk about his gimmicks? They try batty up the war man, I mean.
Let them know well until some little pussy won't stop come and dance on with them batty man thing you know a war. Yeah, well I'm on the clock war. Young girls say war. So until some little selector boy stop place price tune and go fight free tune a war.
People make backs on this now. You see Notorious?
Pussy never kill nobody.
The Bermuda, the spiritual crew.
Yes.
Whoa. All who know big tune in the morning.
The wickedest time when young guns are play. I would for idiot sound up you run away. I would for idiot sound boy. They might be run away. I get wrong.
Level. The last time them clash in Brooklyn, Shabba run up on the stage and nearly slap with Mary face. You remember that? So you see in the morning when Maria says, Shabba, why you beat me so? You know what I'm gonna tell her in the morning? You know what I'm gonna say?
You did not play what you're supposed to play. Running off your face, didn't know your little sound was in danger. What's in
time, Aaron. Chico, time. Play tune.
Now if you hear a song like crying, no worry, young gun just killing. Won't recover. This life is
music I go play tonight.
Yeah. If you should see a someone crying, don't ask if young guns killing. Watch him die. His heart is broken. Oh, it could be young guns.
Big up all the ladies in the place tonight. You see that song here? Movements,
Young guns, you're moving. You move like a new flame. Someone come test you, then they must be prepared. So we're moving like a bomb. Young guns,
let them know.
Come from, hang up on them attack, hang up on them attack.
Oh, no, listen already, man.
That's how boy wants
and when will I play dubs?
Listen.
When will I play dubs like young
Baseline.
and play? And it is fine to come of age, try to play what young guns play, and to be grown up is the thing with the cheese possessed. Oh yes, but you the massive outfit, tell them say, take your time, some boys. Young guns have to tell them say, don't you rush to play dubs. The Trinidad and the Jamaican massive tell them say,
loud eagle, broad eagle.
In the build up to the clash, the pussy them only bigging up the clash on the board. They never big up this clash. Say, see tonight.
Tell them, who? Tell them no fuck round the gangsta down. Starting no sweet like no damn dollar.
You see tonight.
Inna me place them fire wild shot. Young guns a go murder boy and no care enough. Matic looking for the fight.
No mercy.
I got a bigger man from Canarsie, man from 90s, man from 50s, man from...
Where the Brooklyn man them dead?
Oh, that's that look.
So me half so send them, see me end them. Then if I war them, make it happen. I have this fast. A million sound crying for the mother. For them violating, get mad.
KK wasn't born as a juggler. She was born as a soul killer.
Alright. Murderer, blow the on your shoulder. Kiss on to everyone, go kill
Why murder?
Dance on, catch a fire. Young gun system, and pepper. Murderer.
Hey, young gun. Yeah.
Alright, KK, beat them fast. Time shot.
None of them sound they can't kill me. Don't try, them can't get this.
Give me some juggling.
Me prepare for the enemy. What's the move with me things and them want take the keys.
Ready?
No sound.
Lord sense, man. Lord mercy. I'm you with a passing on the place. Jamaica, Brooklyn.
But them have song for young guns.
Send them on bad sound fine. Young guns are short for a long time. Bad sound and young guns sound you can't find. Young guns come to kill them one more. We a sound killer. Up to kill sound. We don't call me off in front of the king. What's up?
I keep it burning warm, yeah. Young guns can't cool. I tell some sound boy to gas cold. Alright, chum, I say yo, you're lifelong, but you're careless with it.
Hear this, young guns.
I sure them don't titanium.
Me hope them have song, you know. Me hope them have song. You know what going here tonight?
So now sound I go dead with the feed and select how they behind it stand up boy.
I go!
Man, time, keep up. KG, K-Man, you're a brave man. Have a mercy.
When you say Brooklyn, you say Mountain.
Here we go, no shine, not horrid, no shine, church disrespect. Wait, who's it like the ladder? If we not talk.
Young guns, oh yeah. Give thanks and praises.
All who say Father God, you know what?
Oh yes. Your eyes are up this morning. Thanks to see the rising sun, oh Lord. And even when it's dawning, young guns will be another double number.
Let them go!
Cause the time is so very close. And some class get so dangerous.
Let me jump on better play song enough.
You know some boys.
Not save nothing enough.
No me. But it's so easy.
When you want black cloud taps,
a young gun sound.
Juggle, KK, juggle!
El madman say wickedness. Sound test and sound die. This young guns will get a shot in your eye. Wickedness. Sound test and sound die.
New York, what you say?
Hey, if you not say people dead, make it dance up then. Boy, I get him up. Bad set of people.
Young people, we not come to play.
Him up.
What we come to do tonight?
Anyway, sure. Bring them up, wind them up alive. I put the young guns when them I try to deprive. Yo, can I see?
Anybody from the Bronx? Anytime I play that butcher, me say Bronx. Anytime with the Bronx man, them there.
When young guns are loud enough, I will back to 20 Top down bands, I will rinse them Chris. Pulling on my station to pick up my grip.
Give me an next butcher cake, butcher.
All them was on tricks. You run up in a whistle and get your head back shut off. Seven on your friend dead and everything last. Select them.
Stop it. Voila. Give me that one. Mary, you are no bad girl for Kiki. You not a bad girl for Kiki. You come up here and you talk about big up all the woman and them. And then the last clash slap and nearly slap off your face. All the fathers and all the mothers who know say no boy can't violate your daughter, make some noise. You talk about. Hold on. You're not a bad girl for blood clot KK. Because you take violation. If you wasn't in the last clash, make me tell you now what happened in the last clash. Please.
You know we're right on the special now, them dead are young guns. DJ KK shoot. You know we're right on the special doom surrounds.
Them a husband and wife, though. You know what happened in the last clash?
Say when Marie step out and go like she bout and play the rock song, get poof in her mouth. And she a talk, get beat after dog. Cause she cut the song before the bad boy. Because she back him a beat her.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Listen. Play it again.
You know we're right on the special now, them dead.
New York time around, listen.
Okay, shoot. You know we're right on the special doom surrounds. It's an easy Steve with the KG.
One thing KK, learn, don't take bad up.
Say when Marie step out and go like she bout and play the rock song, get poof in her mouth. And she a talk, get beat after dog. Cause she cut the song before the bad boy. Because she back him a beat her. Slap out Marie like a post on Twitter. Talk about she back but a KK bada. One thing me know, say them boy can't touch her. If a boy violate young guns, get up on the KK.
Big up all the ladies. Where the ladies? You see one thing about KK? Ladies.
KK, you have the lots of selection ready to go kill. Why try to test them better right them will? You kill them on the level, murder them on the hill. The best young gun son, boy, you got to be skilled. No sound can't make we pray. No sound can't make we pray.
That juggling name KK. What would you say KK?
Come again, nobody can make you worry.
Would you give me a song for KK? Listen.
I make them know. Someone just put me no in on the race. Anyhow them test me, they must get erased. Buddha, but if you run right out of the place, you know they still up the night to kill your soul without trace. We are the hottest way, but touch the place. KK, consecrate your body with grace. Boy, you so wicked, you are wine and no care. Kill them and they open up, we kill them and they swear young gun. Anywhere you go, dance.
Start time shot KK, start kill them again.
Young guns roll deep, and if you don't know we
time shot,
you wouldn't know say we roll deep. Young guns are one too easy if it's switch. From them they say that them a go dead. From them they say that them a go dead. Bury them.
If say me read the board, if I go clash young guns, pussy a lot.
This whole gas them up, how we got bust the cylinder. Man taking a lap, dark and carry window with no fly kick.
One to the baboon, yeah man, the cartoon, yeah man.
Take it away, time. Juggle.
See my dancer, Superman.
Juggle.
Tini we shooter.
All who say Batman to that bossa blanc. All who say Batman to that bossa blanc.
Get it on to the bang, to the bang, to the bang. Pass it on to the bang, to the bang. We go down to the bang, to the bang, to the bang. To the bang. Somebody make a know. You don't jump on shoulder, but madams. Scooby, see must have stayed. You don't know things.
Me hope Junior happy buy more buju, you know. Me hope him buy more juju.
Young guns around the man and them go to run it. Young guns around down the place and go to run it. How them feel a competition when them know so them the fed. You test young guns sound, them a go get sick while on the place. Them go to run it.
All 14 Loud evil Bumbuckler do some boy Young gun tell them all of us so do you some sound a chat. I go and tough, I go and like them a killer. I'm from Manat,
I who down?
Now me feel
all who say young guns are going good. Bossa blanc.
Killer, dirty. Him a killer, Stevie. Him a killer. Scoot.
Boy, you know gun people son.
One more.
Listen man, one
more. The song start to play already, man. Yo.
Intellectual murder people edition. A campfire full of gun.
I hit that. Time.
That was the first round.
Bumbo class.
Young guns, first round.
One is around the spicy.
It's nice. I like
One
it.
is around the spicy.
Chico, I like it. All right, first round up again. Next up, coming in all the way from Jamaica, him in green and gold.
I beg you, please.
Hey.
No live stream.
scream, man.
No,
No, respect the thing, man.
We gotta reiterate that again. We don't want anyone to violate Kaya's thing tonight. She asked only Team Torment to be recording tonight. So if you see a next man violate Kaya thing, just tap up on his shoulder and say, you better. Come on, respect the girl thing on her birthday. Please. She asks, hear what? She asks nicely. And if you do not respect the niceness, then you will be asked to exit. What we say? What we say? Exit. Exit.
Right now, second round, not to our sound.
First round.
25 minutes. Right now in our second round. Remember the first round, dash way. No elimination round. 25 minutes. Not to our international.
Yard. Bomba clot. Long time in the studio in Brooklyn. Yeah, man, I swear it's been a minute. Kaya, happy birthday again. Your birthday, big 49. Can I see a posting so we can say it? So you see next year when I big 50, you don't know the thing. You see you come out in already and I got the cake. Oh, the cake there on there. Bomba clot. What a blood clot birthday party. New York City. We want them a Steve Harvey show Kaya that try deal with it. Because it's like a family feud. Father and daughter versus Bomba Clan. A family feud. So young guns. I call your daughter there, honey. You talk about a thing about Marie and come in this woman, you know. If you see me rough up Marie, look a bit, I train me a blood clot trainer if he bust the gun. If you are going to introduce your daughter to Sound Clash or this industry, I want to fuck up early, you know. You have to know if you introduce her. Let me tell you, it come like a Steve Harvey show. I'm going to play my daughter first and foremost. And she just have a little message to KK. I don't even want to forward yet. Just listen, she's 12-year-old. And she has something to say to KK. Goes like this. At 25 minutes, you know, where we are running from. Professional selector there. KK, my daughter said to tell you, say.
I'm missing, I make them take advantage of you. Na.
Listen.
Kiki, go on to school, yeah. Don't follow your daddy. Cause that man waiting for your father. Just so use of him money. Before him, send him go college. Him first if he play music. Why him not play song with sunshine and load of it? You dirty man, leave your little freaking me alone. KG,
what church are there? KG!
Why you not make me the church and play your song?
New York, don't worry, we can't lose a clash, let me tell you. You see, if never lose a clash here tonight. Bad girl Marina give me pussy tonight. So me have to kill the young gun son tonight. I'ma start the clash.
And music is my game, alright. When the Notorious show this one.
Brooklyn, let me show them how you kill son a first round.
Oh Lord, you said that sound boy killing a murder.
Kill son.
Bad sound.
Leper.
Bad sound. Whoa.
KG. A blood clot Brooklyn, this you know. You think I saw you play at Brooklyn?
No sound.
I first 25 minutes. When I know blood clot, yes. I can't disgrace this pussy hole here. Professional at work.
Better than this, a sound is gonna die. Die tonight. I fell in love with Notorious sound, champion sound.
Another idiot sound, them have to run out of town.
Level! Anybody there from Trinidad? Anybody there from Guyana? I don't know the links there already. Well, everybody know me represent one place there, Kingston 13. Everywhere me go, me carry 13 from my shoulder. So you see, anywhere my shoulder go, my body did it. So guess what?
Kill them all. Kill them, now go kill them.
New York City be none on the ears. Anywhere we go.
The whole Kingston 13 I run come to see us all weather.
Ready?
Yes, I bless.
Lever! Yeah, run up and down where you run go. Yeah, you see on board? We're not on the ears, dog. 25. Yeah.
Now some guy here run up the mouth. Sell them every day.
Lever! Them artists are shabby. If you're deaf and married, you born, what you da do? Me say me deaf, me can't hear. Them say if you're blind, what you da do? Me just say. Me say.
What eyes don't see, heart don't need. What is to take? It's notorious, it's no fair.
Me yes.
Why?
I saw you touch some in a Brooklyn.
Why?
First 25 blood clot minute. Where you run now? Take on the time.
Notorious in the boss.
New York.
Notorious is gonna kill. So me that's on another law.
Stop we from murdering sound away.
Anybody over 35 where they will listen to music over the years? Yeah.
So many sound boys wanna see we stop murdering sound, but we won't. So many sound boys wanna see Notorious.
My vice the artist I wanted you to smoke weed, but now him coming like him a smoke Molly and crack. Guess what? Me still like a play him.
Notorious sound.
Notorious and champion.
Me vice him on a weed him a smoke. I don't know what the fuck him a smoke now. Still a play him song.
Notorious. Killing a jump and Notorious we never play. Killing a jump and then we got to
song.
Little shabba, some boy just love lava.
What's mountain?
Notorious, some punks say them not no heart. How them murder people without second thought. Fool, them a talk about them not no heart.
Ready?
And them murder people all we talk.
Take it on. Brooklyn. Remember New York City bill me, you know. At Brooklyn, me couldn't know me, you know. Me know if he play in this first 25 minutes. Me not rush gun nowhere. The morning long. Time soon change if it not change yet. So we have whole heap of time in this blood clot. Tonight me not the mercy, not even prayers me I give it. Me mean like monk. Hear ya?
Earlier we want the bounty killer, one to them full magnum. Not no mercy. This one is not a fucking Dublin or a man.
Look how select that place all steady.
Touchman.
But I'm sorry for a sound boy. Sorry for them. Pray for a sound, I'm gonna pray for them. Sorry for a sound boy. Sorry for them. Gunshot me a sound boy. Some say.
Earlier I'm walking here. KG said, look Shabba, you know some love how you and your wife roll. I want to tell you that, you know. I said, oh, that you want to tell me? Well, pussy hold me and some of it tell you.
That's what you said. Sound boy, make we tell you this straight. That's what you we kill you.
Someone like crackers.
Level! Pussy, you know mother Bermuda. You know mother Trinidad. And Brooklyn, they are trying blood clot, man. Yeah.
Son boy, we're dead in a morning, boy. Can't win clash in a evening.
Level! Any man will run behind him, look at girl. Watch him. Don't trust the pussy wall, a pedophile. If you don't like raper,
Notorious about a fire, ban a weak sound. And them feet I could have never get with them.
Steady! Buckler, me name on a yes. Steady. First round. Big up all the young guns fans in our place. You see me, sir? When I bring nobody in here. You see me? Me I do this naturally. I mean, know a first blood clot round. You know, so call I make a look a small group and put KG number in there. I say, Kaya, where do this for? Yeah, this look a fucker now. So Shabba, when you're forward in New York, bring 3 green lime and a pack of garlic. Cause Jimmy split up here walk over here. Me just hang up my phone and say, Mr. Bumblehole, come off of my phone. Me say, Kaya, tell the boy KG, say.
Yo, it's notorious. For sure, we settle this.
I hope you tell me more. You still look for Shabba.
Now one name. Now go walk your walk, cause when you walk on the road of corruption, you walk.
Them say dance can't nice without the artist here. But if you step on in shoes, you're fucked. Turn it up.
I'll climb the mountain and swing the deep.
Play steer. Over 25 years, the pussy them win 1 clash. I feel like them in a big league. A size you try size up, put the wall.
You feel like a big sound, keep it to yourself. Now bring that to Notorious, keep it to yourself.
No sound. No, all you sound can't frighten me. Only no bad like look at Shabba. What's up, no mama?
No sound and no fear, and no sound, no sound. Can't give Notorious no problems. And no
Me no no blood clot is a first round. Push up your blood clot daughter in a clash. Me no this woman enough, but I got beat and teach. I got blood clot beat and teach. But me have a look at next early message to her. Guess what?
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Say goodbye to sound clash. Cannot worry your sound camp at
level. More than that, Murray, level. We notice that we see a whole heap of people in a Young Gun shirt. That means they're carrying fans them. Me know nobody if you carry, you know. In carrying daughter too, you know. And in carrying people them. Wrong blood clot thing you carry here.
Hey, sound boy,
Young Guns!
Tell them walk with them casket. Tonight them a blood clot dead. Not one rust bus pan in a them blood clot dead.
The pussy them. Sang! Rapper! Pussy wait till later. We don't know here. Study up.
Son boy, step if you a step now. Pussy step if you a step now.
Rapper! First 25 minutes. I saw you play a Brooklyn. Take with time, bad girl, Marie. Music. What tempo?
Alright then, me now watch no face, beg no more pardon. Notorious killer sound early in the morning. No little sound, why the people them applauding. You can ask little Shabba where them get them started.
Take them. New York, I'm allergic to new tune. Because you see them look a clash nowadays. The whole of them sound when they want to play like LP artists. You notice you don't hear no different type of song yet. I see them sing them we hear from in the blood clot 90s. We don't know no style. Me I go play some new music for you. I don't know if you give me no big blood clot forward. We just want to listen to music. This and me write it. Take the time. Do whatever no one blood clot. Do it early. Me no yes. I wear no blood clot. Me no fans in here. But me I work with me own. Talent me I use. Play me song. No yes.
Our nation.
No yes.
Yeah. I represent.
I'm telling you this. You see the music? The fight is real, but we can't fight real blood clot talent. Me write this. No pussy can't play. The artist need remember. Lyrics and style. No yes.
Tell them not to worry. Some man a juggle, but them playing like them last year. Select a last and them saying and attack him. Run up and down in the place and I show off. Act like them loaded, everybody see them flash. Even when the COVID done, them boy they still for wear the mask, yeah. The girl them said them mouth stink like hog, yeah. Talent no sell a shop, you know, for outside them boy they don't got. Boy anytime them go on like them big mile lad, well we have to kill them fool, yeah.
Take it on! Me now make them frighten me, Marie. Me calm. Me a professional selector. Me know this. Me a present new music too. No go like I'm allergic to blood clot new music. Every sound come play the same song them way 90s sound them play. Me I go play one of the biggest songs right now in Jamaica. Let it go. Leper, fire. Then now go back to Trinidad. Me a cause any trouble. Yeah.
Little Shabba, kill them, hide them in the dark room. Then wash off them blood in the bathroom.
No, yes.
Them nobody like bad.
Me ain't no blood clot here.
Don't get this Little Shabba. Your life,
Me ain't no yes.
Our faith.
Let me play some new song for you. Me ain't no yes.
But we still a kill someone. I made them way up on the mountain. I wash them blood in a fountain. Fire and notorious, then you're gone then. They killing all part of the process. Notorious, a kill sound perfect.
First round, me play new music for you. Song.
Don't know when the fire.
Blood clot.
Push master.
Now me play a new tune in the New York. Bomba clot. First round.
Fire gunshot from pagan. Some boy are wait. We lock the operation.
Level.
Skill jump. We gun them is.
Level boy not me selector. No pussy from Trinidad can't bring no bad this to me. Me never hear about no bad man over there yet. A Jamaican fuck up the whole world pussy world. Big up every Trinidad in our place. A Jamaican make them lock down England. No pussy one that know about Jamaica about this. Can't tell you about this. Level. Not Trinidad pussy can't man be a Tony.
Notorious, tell me what the fuck they know about gangsta. That we collect when I make boys sponsor. Everything's up in you like action. Every girl are hotter than Lanta. Another grime is
Leper. Me not stress somebody if I run them down. You see my belly big? Me not run down people. Me make them run first. And when they get tired, guess what?
Don't go sound with your gun. Show them and prove that you're back. Not to a Ross. Yeah, you know the nation. Alright. You're the upset. Jungle Jesus, bus, goddamn it. Squeeze up the thing about your mouth.
I want to play on this mean and either. You know why?
Me have couple nights, me know what that did for me. Notorious sound, we say lion.
Play a new song,
family just remember me. We have to protect the dog, them member enough of it. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. You are free, notorious, you have to free me.
I'm gonna take my time, and yes.
Notorious, after all, dog them just a wait pan a car. 4 rifle in up on a wall.
That youth are the next artist who are going good in a Jamaica. Me a play new music for you. Cause some man go on like a whole of blood clash, sound clash. That's why some of my clothes shop up here. When you see them empty. Nobody know how come out of the same blood clot music every day. The youth are me a play name Josh him a go on good a yard. Yeah.
Chaba, bad girl marry, yo, Dave, you know the bumbo clot thing got the
what's wrong? Not ears little Chaba.
You know we no gun people. Hey. It's a God for them keep up.
Kill on the no worry, I'm gonna kill it.
Son, watch out. Go and go tell them we been a kill son quick. 6 feet we send them what a deep story. On the balcony where we they a be load clip. A reminisce pan son clash. Free trophy. Watch that.
Ready, Murray.
Long life will be a news a baby. Look at Shabba boss and make them skip. Notorious of them all on this.
Me a play a new song for you. Me a play a new song a first load.
Notorious I kill every jump right now. Murder everything in the flesh right now.
The youth I get gunshot and cripple over the air. Spend money with the youth.
Notorious done, watch them on. Notorious kill them now. No. I'm in the ice and chase up.
We don't kill them already. Get back to the money.
Hear him now. Look at Shabba, you beat to Maria, she don't play good. You think a Maria never beat tonight? You see blood clot KK.
Notorious. Some a pussy on the street and you see it over the beat and teach.
Yo. Leper. Kaya. All when a birthday party. Me no come up here go nobody cause me no like people. Guess what?
Them think a smile you a greet them with butter. Gunshot you go beat them with. Look up pussy them they must think them big butter. Gunshot you go beat them with.
Voila!
If I never flag it up be your wife. Kill off a sound of the theater.
Mr. Me a play a new tune for you.
Notorious song.
Tonight you're not gonna hear the artists that you know weak to blood clot.
Them can't stop.
A gully size sound a play.
Man,
you will on.
Always been shout it up and never you stop. Me can't stop, me can't chat. Enough of them want me hard stop.
No rush.
Me can't flop, me can't flop.
No mix yet.
Chat fire, can't drop. Rise man, I rise. I want to me fall and look how much things man do for that. Work for me share and them never want all know them.
Young Guns carry the whole team in here. I see people from Bermuda, Trinidad. Them have all a sound over Ukraine. I see the boss there too. I see one from over Russia there. But you see when the blood clot gun your boss, guess what?
Shut a left the gun and every man a collect some. Anybody gonna get it, anybody gun. Got a ball out,
play a new song.
Some badness, them a copy, so we face the dog in the gun. That tourists for the men's a put gunshot in her. Them take them bad, them a kingdom, them give them cocky gun. No juvenile can no wish for black we gun. Matter of fact, we the black we gun, we got
so where was it? Me a go now a second to say it. Say it please. Yes, I want blood clot here. If you hear new music, some of them will come and dance hall and fuck up this. Can you make them, yes, none of that more blood clot here. Me a play music and new music in a dance hall. A first round. Earlier me play one Quenchade. Him claims him counteract it down. Well, him play one song with the Coyote, where you the Coyote we say, want to the baboon, yeah, man. Me a go counteract that no pussy earlier. New song same way.
One to the old boy, a man, the son boy, a man.
All the counteraction. Hey, boy,
a man. You feel ya, tiny man. Marie, we shoot a man. All boy.
Still a play a new song.
Yeah, boy, a man. Cause you're this notorious, you a go guy. Drop down dead, you a go guy.
No mix yet.
You know brain, pushing up on me.
Take it on. Marina make the crowd intimidated. The mix play a new song same way. The youth and him Skilly Bang. Him a go and good at Jamaica. A post round. You keep the forward. Me don't know here. Guess what me have round here?
We have AK, Big Matic, Bamang, we need dear pipe.
Son! What we do with them?
Kill them off and go on. Kill a son and gone. Son boy come and live by your name and
hold on!
Go on.
What KK mother there? Who don't know what though? She left the pussy hole, that's why I'm a part with KK. You know what KK mother say about him? Guess what KK mother say? You know what KK mother say about him?
Son boy, you a waste man. We and your gal a link up on the acre. Say she on ya round there, you wait for me. Pull up inna the Mazda with the long pump. Son boy, you a madman, a play be a hypocrite. Them nah no money fi voice no Javi. We no need reason fi kill them son.
Take it on. People you see when come from over Trinidad, them no rate him. That's the time when I go play him up the counteraction. Cause the artists them tell me everything we are going. We are going to set him up like 9 nights. There's a reason why I play that song here. Because I want the pussy counteract it. But I still play a new song, no mix yet. Him come from Trinidad. Artists over there going good. Him no play none. But him I go play the counteraction after this. Because I have the blood clot correction. And wait till later.
Yo, die. Yo, notorious soul. Any day, any weather. You feel no little shabba make cheddar.
Set him up like 9 nights. But know you have the counteraction. You fuck.
And you grave and boom. Die. You grave and just murder someone.
New York couldn't have to give me no forward, you know. A first round, you know. A new music me a play in a dance hall. Him say we are juggling selector. Yes, you're right. So me a play like how me know if a blood clot play. That song what me a play right now. And one of the hottest song one night time in a dance hall. I don't know if it reach to me yet. The youth and name Hintons. Let it go.
So do it like this, kid, we notorious. Voodoo at excellent, liquor shop I know. Money in our estimate, get up with the oil ring, load up with enough to pay. Gun they are dub, they are enough so. Liquor shop at them, they are land, know the beat. Markets with the crown, you know, see the plate. Big food jog done, make we celebrate. Liquor shop a bad girl, married. The of them choppy line, dialing. Cash shop that I instant wiring.
If you don't know any name, Intense, play one more new song, bad girl, married.
Shabba them badness.
Bumbuckler.
Some son boy a pussy.
Them not grow the business.
Nothing them can do it. Yang, none of dog and a rookie. Yang, gunpowder belly when I'm bombing. Yang, every double cut trend. Yang, I'm gonna spend yang. Notorious son. When you see a son bad like we. Pull up with dad in my real large jet. I make you think when I chop 50. Shop a rifle a club 50. 50. Shut a boy up in blue Ganzi.
Roll on.
The whole like we gal.
Take it down. New song me a play a first round. And so we play a first round. Present new song to the people them. The youth are the next youth from Jamaica who will fuck up the world. Him have a style named brrr, brrr, brrr. Guess what?
You say, you're not.
You see young gun sound.
Some of them bone grinding. Them no boy like you, full of gun, everything full of crocodile teeth. Everything get fucked when you reach. The 16 one of them kill. Head top bust up and spit. Say your bad pussy will run up and shit. Notorious sound, psycho not rotted. Wamek, we have beat.
Please, give me more new song. New tune round. New tune round. New tune round. Bumbuckler. New York.
Hello mate, like notorious them day in your place. When the cause I win the chase, get straight to the pay. And more day in the race, tell them none of them.
Yes, look the Shabba.
Notorious them a dun 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 dun.
Oi. Mary, play back my song from entry. Me no, yes. Me know this. Them pussy can't kill me. That's for sure, for a fact. Them no bad like me. Play it again.
Hey, boy, you know murderer, so notorious international. You're even someone lick a shot. Bad girl, man.
Stay. 25 minutes. Remember me that complain about the long board, I never like it. Me no, yes. Blood clot.
Hello mate, notorious them day in your place. When the cause I win the chase, get straight to the pay. And more day in the race, tell them none of them. Telling you, notorious them a dun 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 dun. Another plus transman, bad ones.
No play no more. Make them come play the whole of this box and LP box. 25 minutes that. I mean account or I won't account. New tune round. Anyway, do anything after this. Cause now then dead. Hey.
What a blood clot crowd loaded. Yo people, me like the support. You know support Lady Kaya.
Yeah.
Me not lie. Enough love and bumbuckler respect.
Place
Big up
right.
every sound man with there in our building. Me can't call everybody name.
Hold on, Chico, though. Big up every sound woman with there in the building. Make some noise, ladies. Yeah.
Yo!
Let's get. It's 2022, Chico.
Yeah, man. Then me no know, man.
You don't see the woman them a shoot. You
know
don't see the
either.
woman them a put bullet in a van. You don't see it.
But we have to vote the round. True. Yes. But here what? Let me run one little flyer real quick. Don't forget the 21st of January. My brother them, FT them, bad war and go on pan the ground, you know. Don't forget the one of them, my bad sound friend them. One day I go wicked. Hey.
Shout out to the whole Lion Raw family. Straight.
Hold on, let me run another one. Wartime Sound Clash, 2nd of December. The one the load, Stereo 5 and Mad Squad. The one they are going to load. We are going to vote the round there.
Next one.
Down and do it go. And then the one there. Oh
Next
my
one and then a
God.
vote. We don't even pick up the selectors that's in the building. That's our next round then.
12th of January 2023. People dead like nothing. You don't know Kingston Cheta versus Twin Tower. The one there, Mad War. You don't know North and the South. And then we go big up every promoter with the Yaka. You know Kaya love the whole out now. We love the whole out the same way. Love our unity. But we vote around now.
Voting time now. All right.
We can't get the light on because we want to see everybody, you know. And we want every sound look what go on. Because
all right.
We don't want nobody say, yo, you know what go. Lady Treasure.
Yeah.
Pull the treasure.
If you say Young Guns won the first voting rounds, let me see some signal. Up.
Put them up. When they look round.
Short and spicy. Hold on. on.
Look
Clear, short and spicy. We're short and spicy. Clear it out, short and spicy. If it said Notorious Sound won the first round, let me see some signal up there. We don't need
look round.
We're just up there. Follow instructions. Come on, guys. Come on, work with me.
All
right.
Lay the treasure, pull the treasure.
First round goes to Young Guns.
Hey, yo. I hear what go on now. This and the third round, which is 20-minute round. So you know and go. More flyers are going to read again in the voting time. Big up every promoter with there. Young Guns, 20 minutes. The minutes start when the first song play. Right.
Yeah. All right. First of all, may I address something. The boy come and talk about Young Guns now play for New York. All right? And they make a set a bag of low speech. You see New York, why him a try, can work anywhere else in America. You notice him come out, divide and rule. But you see New York, every Jamaican have a Trinidad friend, no lie? Every Trinidadian friend have a Guyanese friend, no lie? Every Guyanese friend have an Antiguan friend, Bajan friend, Panamanian friend, Belizean friend. You can't divide and roll, pussy. That you fi know. I'm from Trinidad and Tobago. Me love soca music. You understand? But me also love reggae music. Big up Jamaica for the land of reggae. All who love reggae music, 2 1 in the year. KK.
Yeah, well, this is the one I'm talk about Young Gun sound. Legal, larger than life. Take a while, left a while.
All who love reggae, you know what?
Hey, Young Gun sound, play us some music. This is reggae music. Young Gun sound.
Kimani Mali.
This is reggae music. Tell you what, roots rock reggae.
Any Rasta man there? All who love reggae, KK.
Young Gun sound and play.
I'm gonna say this is reggae. Listen, son.
Oh Lord, have His mercy. Big sound of
all who love reggae music, listen, son.
You know we not the dancing. Hey. I see them skanky. And Young Guns them play. Enough about them keep playing. See we teach and the crew of them rocking. Roots man skanky. Young Guns,
back to the killing now. Make we show the pussy off we playing Brooklyn.
This Young Guns, you ain't no Young Guns, beg your villa box. Sound boy violate, but now you catch him in a reach. Last out to the bars, I feel like don't need my.
Make we show him off we playing Brooklyn. You talk about cake, you shouldn't play no song. All who rate cake, 2 1 in the year. Cake, make them know how long you kill song. Make them know.
Young Guns. At the age of 16, Young Guns was in the 16. Pepper son with the
Hold on. Now play it back. I want you play this one. Because the pussy play a song. What him say? Him play a Movado. Step if you want step now. Make them know no boy can't step to you. Make them know what them fi do. Him talk about step if you want step. You know what we want you fi do?
Them come run up. In time we gun up. Somebody burn up when we 4 5 turn up. No we want sun up. Why body burn up? Pull it from the asket.
We know everything the pussy would have play. We know everything he would have say. Him not good New York. You notice him come with them idiot speech. You know what would you say?
Put it on, put it on. Young Guns are young, put it on.
Voila.
Put it on, put it on.
Him come with them idiot speech.
Say you put it on.
Shabba.
Crazy town, make them know so we don't scared. We hear some sound of plan, but Brooklyn prepared.
What? Again.
Them a go empty, don't be down. Young Guns
We want them hear it. Wanna listen, man. Yeah, cruise. People pay the good money for tune.
Put it on, put it on. Young guns say you fi put it on. You better know. Put it on, put it on. Young guns say
Brooklyn, no listen, no noise, no noise.
Crazy town, make them know so we no scared. We hear some sound of flag but Brooklyn prepared. But them a go empty down, them don't pound with this. Trinidad clown, then
Level. You talk about play for New York. When you play tune in a New York, big up Yared. Kaya, me no say I love that rhythm there from Yared, right? So you see that next song play?
Hey, young guns, hey, young guns.
When you play song in Brooklyn,
hey, don't know.
Where all the Brooklyn bad man them, they put up your no gun hand. Listen.
Young gun. Tell them all up in me fire, they shot in me fire, me chopping and clapping like an in the choir. Hey, young guns, hey, young guns. Hey, don't know.
You idiot boy.
Hey, don't know. Young gun. Tell them all up in me fire, they shot in me fire, me chopping and clapping like an in the choir. Not even prayer cannot kill them, guy, them chatting some liar when machine gun fire blood.
Big up KK, she have a new thing called the KK Rock.
And the on fire.
Everybody, KK Rock now, hold on.
Like me strap with some wire, frequent flyer, shotting gun by me the streets, them a hire for the seas, them guy come me back like alliance plus free empire. Pass me the sleeve where them feel entire shot no.
When you play reggae music in Brooklyn, you play tune like this.
Oh no, young guns,
KK.
pop it off.
When you play in Brooklyn, you play a tune like this.
They can't waste no war tonight. No. So guy, if you love your life, then walk home.
You see that next rhythm? Venom, just where you roll the bass. That next rhythm played by Young Guns alone.
Original kings of sound system. Oh, what a rasta. Yeah. Oh, Lord. Hey.
That rhythm played by Young Guns alone.
Well, him come the man call Martimore. Hey, them better overstand now. Yeah, we there with Young Guns Universal. Yeah, yeah.
You see that?
And every sound a song. Young Guns Universal tell selector.
Right!
Never come mess up the play around with murder sound. And the dub them up we shot you with the senior underground. Hey,
Young Gun, my young sons, motherfucker.
The only notorious we rate are the notorious from Brooklyn, pussy.
Young Gun.
Every notorious from Brooklyn, they wanna play the Sanchez. You hear this, sir?
Worldwide.
Hey, well, it's forward, make it started. Young Guns, then the pit and then the big bring drum.
This is a combination.
It's not a problem. Them are going to send drum and a video them. Well, if forward.
Them read the board and say Young Guns is an easy kill.
Then the pit and then the big bring drum and sound.
All who red bounty, you see the pussy them?
I'm going to send drum and a video them.
Start war and believe it would have done it, can't go done.
Say me have you this time.
Jamaica burn you there.
Me ain't play some Idonia. Anytime Young Guns play Idonia, appear bad man Idonia. Every gunman put up a gun finger, you know why?
Them know say trigger a squeeze and a release and the clap it up a chop and pop up in a piece and a boy a ball fit fin mother. Him see the screen bomber. Young Guns sound, tell them when we a boss it. Clap it and we boss it. Police hit the road where we the banner. Can't touch it. When we a boss it.
Me know you is a pussy in a real life. Me don't see that already. I'm about to idiot speech. But suck out yourself, boy. KK.
I saw. Badness them just a talk. Them not do it. When the sound of the road, them pussy they did a sleep. But them shut up the tree. With police, Young Guns, tell the pussy them. Nobody them just a push him out. Young Guns push him out.
Level. New York. Him a talk about play for New York. All the man them from New York right now going on here. Play that one.
Young Guns, box to make him face for the
Big up the King P Life family.
one world, one order.
Anybody ever drive on Church Avenue?
Young Guns, It's 36 up to 97. Roll between us, it's me and my weapon. Pass from me right, but me pick up on the left hand. If them want a showdown, young guns, let them boy they start run. Since them
where we come from? Hold on.
Come in the whole gang on. From the streets of Brooklyn, here I come. Trinidad to Bermuda, back to Kingston. There's one and the love. Pussy not take a shot, don't bother me.
Murder, pussy, murder.
Fresh from Alpha.
Wanted. Young guns on the body, son of the realities of the West Indies, yes indeed. Young guns on your band from morning. And if the Shabba no than in them Power Rangers, so them a big party man. Hey, from Sunday, dead with Wanted. Young guns on the body, son of the realities of the West Indies, yes indeed. Young guns on your band from morning. And if the Shabba no than in them Power Rangers, so them a big party man. Hey, from Sunday, dead with the push up on one. General before pending and travel Foxland. The whole are not warriors are some big fussy man. Bam bam biddy bam bam biddy bam bam biddy bam. We come for murder Maurice and our body back Japan. This young gun son we go put it up your gang. But Alexander,
come here. Calm down. Quiet. People look on my face. Look on KK face. I'm not gonna say no more. Hold on. Him talk about him daughter. Him daughter voice too special for him. Alright? What day? Me see bad girl marry and little Shabba daughter on Instagram. When me see little Shabba daughter face, me say bumbo clad. Bad girl marry a wicked girl, you know. Me now see why the boy live so supreme, you know. KK, tell him.
Yes, them boy they want to some dead man. Remember tell us something about the boy, then man. Young guns what?
Me now see you, wait.
Watch it, man. There's some gyal a ruffle up on a tip and a little Shabbat.
Brooklyn, calm down. Calm down. Hold on. Brooklyn, calm down. Him talk about my daughter. Call me a pedophile and all them things. Bad girl marry a wicked girl. Oh no, listen. Play.
Right now, yes. Them boy they want to some dead man. Remember tell us something about the boy, then man. Young guns watch this, man.
Me no way.
There's some gyal a ruffle up on a tip and a little Shabba them get the jacket. Young guns nah go mind no picking if him no one of him make it.
Brooklyn, who no one know the reason why the boy left Soul Supreme?
Years and might have it, cause we nah go mind no picnic if me no Junior P make it. Hey girl from ya know, right now yeah.
Young guns body, young guns body,
right now, yes. Them boy they want to some dead man. Remember tell us something about the boy, then man. Young guns watch this, man. Hey, watch it, man. There's some gyal a ruffle up on a tip and a little Shabba them get the jacket. Young guns nah go mind no picking if him no one of him make it. Drop back that Jamaican order pick. Smarty else and might have it. Cause we nah go mind no picnic if me no Junior P.
Everybody!
Hey girl from ya know say ya know
hey, you picnic. Hold on. Him talk about him like talk about what? I'm from Maxfield. Kingston 13 pussy listen, yeah?
Hey, me I see the young guns. And boy, they can't blood cleats stand up to them warrior, you know. You see me, them have young funds.
Everybody start bump on your toe.
I the real war boss represent, you know. Watch on them, no behavior and everything lock, you know. I never let the Glock, you know. We see them rising from
start bump on your toe.
I'll tell them so when
them are dead in Brooklyn tonight.
Do something like this. Me go so them dead now. Little Shabba them dead now. Dead now. Notorious dead now.
What?
Me say coulda been me done it from a bottom man. Superman. Little shabba them a fussy man. Cut him off.
Lord,
coulda be me.
Him never prepare for the clash. Him only studying about the boat. Kaya him blood clot disrespectful. You know why I'm studying about the boat clash alone?
Young guns, about the thing them are free. So them live across the water and them can't go a sea. Hey young guns.
Hey yo, we need you. Motherfucker, get it, you know. They never gonna feed you, yo. Reach up, motherfucker, get it, you know.
Hey,
reach up.
Hey, all the red bounty.
From a young guns, you see you better run. No wait till we back without our we gun. Yo, we pump up, we gun, Walipa. Blood that go run, X amount of people, life a go done. Young guns, them say copper shot.
Them talk about read the board. Them thought Young Guns was an easy kill. But you know what me make the pussy know now? Shabba!
Hey, young thing them get way more than sick. Them also checking. Young Guns are wrecking it whenever that you're stepping. Funk speed is in. Water makes them stepping.
Yo, okay, play some.
Water don't.
If you know, loud evil, broad evil. Bumbo clad or something.
Make we start turn on some rhythm now, KK.
You don't know what about this, you know. Young Guns so man, them know say. When the rifle clad, the bumbo
turn on!
All a fire. The price of what you know, so that's why I pray. How to them clear, man, them post and take out free, man. Yo, J1.
I no play what this. When KK fire shot, you know what?
Guns are bust, real papa, real lead. Real gonna bust up in a real pussy head.
Every man do so. Start boss and do so.
Don't go around it. Look at bullet.
Do so.
Yeah, here, bam, 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 bam. Now try ask what. These are the real Young Guns, the real true sound killer. Yeah, yeah. Boom, 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 boy, chuck, chew, you mother, you hear Young Guns up there.
Yeah.
Yes, great.
Nobody play that fake cartel tonight, you know. Nobody play it, you know.
Yeah, about Young Guns. The guns them.
You talk about me, pussy.
You're gonna the blood clot drum.
What it?
I know little bit of people we say Nile. Them never kill nobody yet a lie them a tell. Gunshot in a them brain cell. Police people.
Ready? Time shot, take it. Brooklyn.
Well, indeed, the friend me not talk me not love. Young Guns, always and make her start. Big party,
let them sing it.
No pussy can't talk.
Now love the road. Young Guns universe.
You see that boy there?
Yo, tell them. Some boy a bit up a set of dog. But I don't want him.
Make it.
Guns. You want we soft out and boys will love talk some more.
Them say you mustn't play song. When we do? Go and play with Dolly. Make the pussy know when you clash.
We don't fight play war, no. Young Guns don't fight play war, good.
And you know why he make that speech? My daughter have to come in the thing, she blood clot bad. All who rape KK, you see that boy?
Young Guns, you see your sound, you get very far. No mention the top right on the equator. Young Guns, when you do it, oh, you do it sweeter. And when you kiss down with this sweeper, where them guns are far. Still on the emotion of the world.
Don't make him chicken up. He's not the owner for Notorious. Wait for third round.
Hey, what do you hear me quick? Somebody call it on the taker. Wait, I jump and just get in ya. Wait.
All right, KK, me want bust a rhythm.
Oh, nah.
Make we start based some energy.
Murder, business.
Hey, that's some boy you talk about this. Hear me, man, Young Guns.
You have to bring energy in a clash. New York, keep talking about new tune.
Hey, damn bad. You talking it in here. Young Guns tell a boy say. Damn bad. Them talking it in here.
What?
Place.
Everybody up. Get them out up.
I me say everybody.
Say don't know. One word, I say it, and one other, one link, you say it.
You feel KK I go wait?
Gun left boy.
She not go wait, she ready now.
But anytime you no ask, kill stone anytime you no ask, bust the gun anytime you no ask.
Shut him!
and young guns are boss.
20 minutes of vibes. Enough song can't play 20 minutes. Pussy, a comfy cruise.
Well, when gunshots start, it's like rock and roll. Me flat on me belly with me.
What?
Hey yo, I gotta big up like India.
All who say killer.
Jamaica, motherfucking niggas, you know it's warlord and young guns and it's haker. Hey yo, ready for them, is it? Gun in the enemy.
Level. Make me fuck up in here now. Him like talk like him a bad man from Maxwell Avenue. Can I ask him a question, KK?
Clarendon, pussy, when I love for chat. That's what.
Him going like him a the biggest killer out of Jamaica.
Come here, son.
Can me ask you a question?
You ever feel a copper shot out of 1 cent? You ever par with young guns or the...
All who say rest in peace.
Clarendon, pussy, when I love for chat. That's why young guns have to go to some fat shot.
Rest in peace, Merciless.
Your son now play with man bad box. You ever feel a copper shot out of 1 cent? You ever par with young guns or the...
Me what bring back a vibe.
One pop out a bite.
When I bring back that next tune, all who know that next tune, take it, time shot, play.
It's one of them. Oh, one young guns.
Hey. All who know that tune, listen. Hold on. How much more we have? 35 seconds. May I the pussy play a skilly bang, KK? Eh? Which one? Anyone? Him play a skilly bang. And go on like that bad. Make them know. You see you? Me not care what no pussy say. Play that one.
You say, you're one world, you're one other, you're one thing. I tap rank you body with the AK. You're for young gun sound.
You city one thing about DJ KK. Tonight is all about the females. Make them know.
You say, young guns body with the day. Yeah man, this man to your face anyway.
Time. Bumbleclad. That 20 minute the fiery.
Aye.
Pussy clad, man.
Dance get personal.
Out of 4.
But I like it.
Out of 4, December 3rd. You don't know we're going on. Star Crew promote that one there. That one the loud and proud. King Ramsey, Earth Ruler. Jagger, my brother.
Reset time. Like we said, 3 rounds, exit to the door. But we're going straight to the morning time. It's all about Atomic War 2022. Happy Earth Strong again, my girl Kaya. For all those who just come in the dance ram, and I like it. I appreciate the fact that everyone came out to support a female promoter who's been in the business. Again, let me make some noise for my girl Kaya. Let me people to dance. Make some noise for my girl Kaya once again.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah. That was the first round. So voting time, though.
Yeah, that's the third round.
Oh, we're gonna get the
Young Guns first 20 minutes in the third round.
True.
Now we are gonna move on to not tours, but era before we do that. 10 of December, Dub Combat, Part 2, Culture Blend versus King Klepto. My brother them thing, Jagger, Black Heart Crew. Era, give it up for DJ Sunshine in the building too. She are gonna represent better than over Europe.
Yeah.
What you mean? Female shooter too. My friend for years, you know that.
A lot of female selectors, like we say, in the building tonight. So shout out to all the female selectors and all the females who love Sound Clash and come out consistently. Because it's not just female selectors that come out, but female and aficionados will come out. So, Notorious Sound, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
All right, second round. Kaya, happy Earth Strong again. Boy, me not tell a lie still, the dance are going good. The dance are going good, no blood clot in a real life. And I like the support and the turnout. You see me? But you see the round here? It named Counteraction. Every song we play, me I go kill it. In the round here. But at 20 minutes, and a Brooklyn. And when we are play a Brooklyn, we don't just jump and go rope strap so. Because I'm telling you something, you know. You see, man will jump out first, easy if he dead. Because him run so quick, he easy if he get tired. New York City, Brooklyn this. Me know in a yes. Yeah.
Yes. Dirty thinking sound boy over there, so me come to tell you something. It's notorious
Young
sound.
Guns, honestly, the class
if
nice.
you live in a
The class
glass house, don't throw stone. Notorious, bust it up, run that like a bun that.
Me tell us every song when play sound like a sound of New York. Different style, listen.
Some sound boy I try everything. Them have them trap set up. And them plan is so one brother to every brother and shame. So Babylon can crush his cup. Aye. But tonight some sound boy I gonna realize if them this notorious that no
Murray, what you cigarette
cut them down to size. We love them from paralyze. Yo, in a them face, bust up the plate like a tool. She said that the whole of them a fool. If a sound was
a Brooklyn sound me used to play.
Your sound
me know some if it take me time.
Them blood like a pool. So over there some me say tonight young guns are getting murder. Lady Kaya are the trophy we come for. Oh, yo, Brooklyn not like raper.
He play Amotic more earlier. Counteraction. The round and your counteraction. Brooklyn.
Notorious sound of the top shot to kill sound guy.
Who me a kill?
Young Gun.
Hey, from my sound, my pedet.
Lever. Earlier I make a look a mistake, you know. Cause when him say every Jamaican have Trinidad friend, him right, you know. Big up all like Trinidad people in here. My body here.
Boy, if it dead, them get let them get caught.
And a sound down. Big up all Guyanese in here.
But deal with split bonnet and push it to the
another sound down.
Die. Gunshot out, I'm a 45. One more select, I lose them lie.
New York!
Ooh,
so everybody.
So come follow me.
Alright, stop. Bad girl Marie. Yeah, give me that, please. I need that. Yeah. Please, I need that. How about the fuck run with me? Shabba, where? How about the blood clot? Yeah, the Shabba. You don't remember if we play in New York? Marie, him say me a fight you because you not play good. No, me not talk good. Fight me back. No, just what me I do something now. Yeah, wake me up to blood clot. Me just remember if we play in New York. Yeah.
What do we know, say? And then the tourists come out to the intermissions original band lyrics, some fusion, not fusion.
Brooklyn, are you ready? What you ready? Start it.
Hey, son, boy, over there, son. Notorious son, you brown number.
After tonight, them I go change my name from Lucky Shabba. You know what them I go call me?
Candeliero, the new name for road boy. Notorious, we murder any sound boy. And any sound where one blood clot dead.
Reverend, here in the Lucky Shabba, you always going like you're a bad boy. Me can't play my namesake. Me just remember people play at Brooklyn.
Reach the stage of evil, no control system. Yes, notorious.
Big up Soul Supreme crew in I place.
I love all of the gun them. Keep them shine and crisp.
Why?
A couple shot where we carry in our gun. Make a boy turn purple anytime. Show to kill.
But girl Marie, me just remember people play at Brooklyn. The song you have to play when you go to Brooklyn.
Boy, they over there so pussy. What them call me?
They call me hunt, seek and file and kill. Notorious, make one rush.
Me just remember people play. Me just remember.
Notorious, kill faithful, no perplex. Them gun heads I see too. And on nation,
me just remember.
Perplex the flex and make we get next. It run about and you shut and get.
Hold on. Levy. Him play one merciless, we say. You ever be like a shot out of 1 cent? When me say the round on him, counteraction. And that you ask me can't tell you something. You see what me ask you? You know me,
Yo, yo.
Yeah.
Anyway, some boy.
Get me.
Have you ever seen a 45 before? Cause that's how they want get conquer front to your door. Hey, them with their ball. That will go sound and murder me, yeah. Them with their ball. So that's the pretty, not all your sound. He put them at the wrong time.
Look, him say rest in peace, Merciless. A Merciless, you remember we're dead. Me can't play one artist will drop out. When none of them remember in the music, you know why you can't kill me drunk girl.
Yeah, they're notorious. Them never know. Notorious only was the tiger.
All I will respect for Anthony. Go down in the air, Brooklyn.
Come on and tell me woo 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 woo. Just tell me who have the tiger.
Young Guns. Me just remember if you play at Brooklyn. Me have to play the artist and Marie. Me have to play the artist.
Notorious and the rough and sound of playing rubber dub over the whole wide world today.
Some gunshots, some top plate.
Yeah, Tabo, I do know. You see Brooklyn Batman.
Tell them, sir. In a middle day, we walk with we God.
The road and the counteraction. Yeah, yeah, what me say me make you do? Run out first. Cause one thing me know with Clash. Them a go boil. Them a go boil. Them a go boil. Because really and truly, me know Young Guns them no bad like Little Shabba. The daughter go on good. But the pooper half and the cap. That can't kill me. Well I know. You remember the Vegas when play? You know want me counteract it, say yes. If you know want me counteract it, say yes. Him say, look for my daughter, Shabba daughter, you see her? I'm playing, say she be a Junior P. Junior P, me a pray, you know, sir. But hold on. Him said about my daughter. Look good for him, daughter. But my ugly, she not kind of look like me in a real life. And that's why me can't diss her, you know. Because you know why me can't diss her? One morning she would have wake up. And guess what? Counteraction for the Vegas.
Notorious.
KK, this is the reason why me can't diss you.
Then that is true. Alright, Bumble, how would you feel if you wake up one morning and saw Look a Shabba whining pan top of your mother. Feel like you want disrespect but you can't. Look a Shabba are your stepfather. So they go dead now. Them dead now. Them dead. We not ready yet. Clean. Kill them already, we go and kill them again. Murder them already, we go and murder them again. Cuff them already, we go and cuff them again. Yes, yes.
Me not ready yet.
Stop. Play. Not to a rough.
Alright, look good over Young Guns. Tell me the truth. Different from the daughter, cause she look good. Over Young Guns sound.
Hey you, over there, so let me tell you this. Notorious, come here, Sophie murder you. Gangsta for life, I don't know.
Hold on. He played to Mobada earlier. Young Guns, if you feel like you're bad at me tonight, you want to go Mobada war in here? You want to go Mobada war? My sound's a gully side. All I will respect Mobada, put the piano in the ear right now, New York City. Yeah.
Anyway,
if you respect Mobada,
yes.
Young Guns just if I'm a bill notorious. One thing me know.
The world is mine. Me know them bad mind from ever since. Every look a Shabba, you saw me I say. Yeah.
We see him we are married.
The gangster thing for life, you saw me I say.
Mobada again. Young Guns, you don't know nothing about badness. You see in Brooklyn?
Yeah. This is what the gangster life is like. Roll out in the Benz and more time I ride the bike. I just set a gal in pussy tight. Kill your son and everything is alright. From your mother who?
He's no matter with it now. Me a go on good. Stop on no blood clot. I may hold me composure. Water me a drink. Me a go on good. Cause you know why? Me no frightened of the first and second round, you know. But it kinda look like me a go on in another road. Like me kinda leadish. In a real life. Look over young gun. Yeah, my brother. Then Jesus looking man, you're flying from Bermuda. Well, tonight I'm going to send you one place, but it's not under your mother. You know what me I send you?
Killing them champions, just like a toy.
Young guns, you know what me a blood clot send you know?
We are ruling. Until the graveyard you go. Notorious, kill them right.
When them right on the internet, who killed the white Jesus looking guy? By SCF, one thing them I gonna say.
Guess who's killing a sound boy? Notorious.
Notorious. Listen, me member of the play at Brooklyn. Them singing off the play.
Hey, hey. Kill them and them they throw. Kill them like dogs and jungle.
Let me listen to all the boom clash audio, but Shabba you don't plan. I study with the box. You get cheek, you fucker, you hear ya.
Two of us a kill sound man. The two of us is like a muzzle with the figure, not the crack. A real sound killer, how we solid like rock. Them call we dirty nigga, do we trample them flat. Smiling now we face our office, tapping at the back, but we not.
Sound the son fam, you hear how the crowd a sing. If me not go on good, give me a small boo. Me not hear it yet. No, it not sound so loud. It not sound so loud. Him play about 99 budget earlier, though. My sound not playing a budget yet. You know why? If I stop playing the Brooklyn sound, me not know only for budget blood. We know, you know, me not know only for budget, but my voice with sense. Yes, the third round and fourth round, and that's why me I go kill it. But me want play my first buju, cause all I feel buju them sound suspect. Them no sound straight. Every time I improvise buju, them sound like buju sick or him have asthma. And buju never really sick, cause them on the born out COVID-19. Me can play real buju from the entry.
I'm back down Marie. Magnum is a big and gun fire. I made them drop down. Grind! Charge it!
If you respect buju Bantan and in the ear.
Give me know. It's an oin. Say to me it's a 45 M16 not Magnum. Can't live to right. Son white and move.
Alright, tell me true Brooklyn. No, do that yet. Me I go on good. Don't tell no blood clot lie. Me I take my time. People, young guns in the business over 25 years. Them not do nothing yet great in the business. Them not bust the song, no rhythm, no artist. Me I go play one rhythm and me can call this my anthem rhythm. Cause I mean make every blood clot sound a voice for the rhythm. Yeah. KG, you know why you boot to them sound shaky? Let me tell you why.
Hey. I said them sound boy laptop filled with pure splice dub, and them know Notorious gonna kill them sound to kill.
Rapper, Kaya, are you war dear? Are you war dear?
Kill jump on anything.
Yes, tonight. What?
We are one them and them never wire. Big gun pop off and now some fools get scared. Little Shabba kill them anytime, anywhere.
Fakaya about the clash, me didn't know, sir.
Yeah, so what a rascal sound clash. This must be a fool.
Notorious, no easy.
In God, Scooby. Run somebody your car.
Notorious sound keep rinsing, shutting head. No need to bowl, no need to beg. Notorious, no see.
Take him. All of them man never know no batty man no turn upside of you. Put up your gun under the ear right now. The man never know you straight. Put up your blood clot gun under the ear. New York City. I'm the anthem. Early.
Yeah, hear me. Notorious, steady with the matic. Anywhere we see the enemy, we clap it, oh God.
When me the outside of the earlier.
Yeah, we bring it anyway. Outside and a bonus split. Glock 17 there with the rubber grip. You know a little shabba never fear no.
Well on there.
Anywhere we go.
The man never know a boy can't follow you go bathroom, put up your gun under the ear.
That fuck at him.
The man never know a boy can't shake your cocky two on the ear.
Black and notorious.
Me I watch you all in Brooklyn.
The girl from
New York.
Come again. Notorious. Them for know we no love man brother. You know see I be a gunman there. Notorious we fall black.
Everybody know where me come from already. So me promote it cause me always can go back to my place. And my place. Everywhere me go me carry my place for my shoulder.
Out here without fear.
New York!
Yeah, they make me tell you about Maxfield badness.
And where?
Tower Hill badness. Make me tell you about Compound badness. Yo 13. Yeah, look how much rifle they are so put on. The first time me come here so me say Kugan.
Is me can start kill him again because the second round and me said the round and name counteraction. You hype up yourself. True you have your fans them in here. Me know me have to work look harder for my one. Cause nothing no forward easy. You hype up yourself drunk bro. Here ya. Me know no fans in here. That's why young guns are going like.
Some boy believe they are tough. They believe they are rough. They believe they are tough. But them the rough like notorious.
Hold on!
Yeah. In the time we come with.
Here me look at Shabba yellow fight a woman. Well, Mr. John Crow, you are what behind your daughter, we can't trust you. We can't blood clot trust you.
Them for those who represent for the whole
New York City.
Right, grass.
You see the boy KG.
Notorious, we say. Certain. New York, we say. Certain.
You see the boy KG.
Shabba kill them. Certain father. New York, you can't trust them. A pedophile. Them think me what to know. And Brooklyn go find out.
You hear him sound?
Listen me. Kenny G sound like girl. Him team up a Trinidad and Bermuda and still can't run the.
Take my time, save a second round.
Kill you in a can.
Him play a bounty killer, me play my bounty them.
Right, must see.
Second round.
Yo.
New York.
Notorious. Just make a dopey with the nine. Me some up 10.
Take it on. New York, you see how hard me have your walk. You see how hard me have your blood clot walk. I don't know I move like you don't want to buy us out the dance thing. I know beg me, I beg on the phone forward, you know. But just I tell you, say we nothing mash up music. When I sound they dance and I go on good, give them blood clot forward. What you me no care nobody in here? Eh? And that's why I know I move like you don't want to go around me thing. I want to play one massacre and play one up earlier. We can't play my massacre now. We can't play my massacre now.
Most of them bad, most of them cheap.
New York!
Notorious. And just changes in life. But some boy face with me knife. And boy can't complain.
Leper! What me said around your name? Counteraction. Cause the artist them no rate him. Nobody no rate him. I try no kinda like the daughter. Cause she mix good still. Me not tell her lie. She have good. But you boy when you KG. Him play. We play earlier. Deep Joy. When say look at Shabba down. Me can counteract that blood clot now. Here ya.
That's like a ball.
Counteraction. Counteraction.
International bad from morning. Tell them young guns are not done. You're dead by a Japanese and a short man. Bad girl Marina, I'm not so in a run. You feel you can take care of your thing wrong. Tonight Maria give you the Jackie Chan. Ching wang wang, ching wang wang wang. Don't know about that Bermuda. Nah,
give me my blood clot forward. Give me my blood clot forward. How much minute you say left, sir? 56 seconds. I want the blood clot. I can't bother play that one, Marie. Him play one skeng. Me have to counteract it. New tune.
Hey boy, you know good.
Mr. Me, I can't tell like everything we do.
Mr. Man, lick a shabba. But no step. Chipper than chip, enemy of anguish. Notorious dish every.
You know the pussy them a flip, so me give them everything in the clip.
New sauce.
So okay, boy.
Mr. I gotta kill it. Mr. I gotta kill it.
You think goes ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
You get me respect, you get my honor, rate like I'm rate. Goddamn, I'm mother. Him no watch bad girl. Well, Shabba, him no watch girl. Him no watch a pussy, him no love an archer.
Hold song down. Let me play one brand new artist from Bobby. Brand new artist from Bobby.
Notorious international. Tell me which pussy will feel really give me chat.
Time! Bumbleclap! Why hear me now? One day if you're not ready for vote. One day if you're not ready for vote. Blood clot. King Fargo in our building. Big up. Snow White. All blood clot sound class fraternity.
Lots of selectors
You know
and sound. Matter of fact, big up the LP family in the building.
Father Puma.
Big up Venom family in the building. Big up Tech 9 family in the building. Lots of selectors in the building. Line of Cambridge in the building. Lots of selectors. Lots of selectors. We just start big them up. So ready for voting, Chico? Ready for voting?
We're ready for vote.
This is the second round of voting.
Yeah, but second round voting.
3 rounds and then what, Chico?
The first one I know elimination. So this is the third round. Where we are going to vote the second time. Wanna get it right? Alright. So here we go now.
What's up?
I will play first Lady Chedja. And you pull the Chedja them, you know. And you ask them, you know.
First up was Young Guns. If you say Young Guns took the round, let me see some signal. Hand up there.
Turn on sunlight. Turn on sunlight.
Up.
Look round.
Short and spicy. Chop it up like a coconut. Chop it up like a coconut. Whoops.
Whoops.
Say whoops, but I say whoops.
All who say that you are respect the road. Put on the one in the ear, but we see them.
Hand up there. Up.
Look round.
Be proud. Liar. Start to put your sound. Yes. Okay. All right.
Lady Chedja.
2 voting rounds. Young Guns again.
2-0. Young Guns 2-0. Here we go on. Don't forget the 19th of this month. You don't know Tech 9 promotion. Sound Clash Battle Royal. You know that one day I go loud and proud. Wanna check that out. 13:30 Utica Ave. You don't know Brooklyn.
Yes. And make sure you guys support. It's Kaya's Earth Strong. We're calling it her War Day. Make sure you go to the bar, support the bar, enjoy yourself. I love how the dance is very full. It's nice. Enough ladies are in the clash tonight. That is rare. So shout out to all the ladies that came out tonight. And like I said again, shout out to the females selected them that are in the building tonight. Young Guns, are you ready, KK? Shoot again on your time.
Yeah. All right. 20 minutes. Yeah, this round is 20 minutes. None of 15 minutes, 20 minutes. People. That boy don't know the art of war, you know. Little Shabba did bad when he was on Soul Supreme. You understand? And the pussy bad mind. You see that wrong here? We are going to disgrace him in Brooklyn. Remember me tell you that. Because Brooklyn are like bad mind people and Brooklyn are like batty boy. You see right now, KK? Start that wrong.
Yeah, we're not talking about real killing sound, you have to talk about Young Gun sound. One world, one link, one order. I notorious, don't cross the border.
The man come out and talk about new tune and play a bag of old hits.
Yeah, you're dead. Cappers and leg to no head, that's what I said. I'm not saying the whole of Jamaica, Bermuda.
This is New Brooklyn, listen to some rhythm.
Gun sound, the baddest and the maddest. Notorious, violence and be the saddest. I want to them. Gunshot to beat them from the root to the stem. Them for know say Young Guns no mix and we no blend. And
you see that wrong here?
And them
tell Shabba this.
Notorious, you say you're bad but you're not bad yet. Never chat them road your way young guns trad yet. You never have a rifle and a wave it like a flag yet. You never put a son boy in a body bucket little shabba watch ya. You say you're bad but you're not bad yet. Never chat them road your way young guns trad yet. You never
he must size up himself.
Wave it like a flag yet.
You see Shabba?
Put a son boy in a body bucket. Hey Shabba, so you a killer but you know in a no killer league. You slower than a slug, you can't catch it.
Brooklyn, Bermuda.
All him can do is chat him, suck pussy mouth.
Loud evil, broad eagle.
Yo Shabba, you can't kill that song, you see you?
Guns they pussy them a chat with them. Ah, blood. Oh, some boy a road we bust we gun in a them beat and call.
Young gun sound.
Him play a massacre.
One world, one other, one.
Batty boy. You don't know if he play massacre for Brooklyn.
Hey.
No yeah.
Young gun.
When bad man step for the rifle, rise and a clap. Time for your bucket inside full of shot. Man find up on the men's bicycle, stop being down for the bicycle, eyes with a top. Rib cage pop, slide and a jump. While him a yap, smile and a not sin for a lunch. But in a island of fun, your friend them afraid of the eye figure shot. Pussy always jump for the crime and a chat. And the cinemas and the show time.
Never kick it,
oh, I don't
never.
feel like a rhyme in a chat, converse to the earth.
Voila. Him come out and talk about young guns Buju and play a Buju, pussy. And not so you play Buju for Brooklyn. Let me tell you on these people. Buju say, young guns, me I give you a song and you have to play it in Brooklyn. Make them listen it and make them hear what me I say for New York. Play.
Young guns sound, a bad boy sound. New York City.
What do you want in New York? Listen what Brooklyn say. Listen, Buju.
Go tell them. New York City Rocco, all Brooklyn road boy put in a gun pan. Only hear me, a young guns Rocco, our young guns man that make we beat two shot. Only hear me, a Queens man rock.
But you say young guns?
All the man them in a
me miss Brooklyn, me miss New York,
Long Island Rocco.
You want to know about what you say?
Guns we don't play Brooklyn. King of these of the sound where you have the real top and top. Earthy and earth ruler and Brooklyn lock. So something sound and play. One keep quiet, super cloud, rest in a peace and free family that don't beat. Young guns sound, a bad boy sound. New York City.
Watch how you play song, boy. Your song regular.
Tell them New York City Rocco, all Brooklyn road boy put in a gun pan. Only hear me, a young guns.
What the man them from Queens? What the man them from Bronx?
Guns man that make we beat two shot. Only hear me, a Queens man Rocco, all the man them in a Bronx on the rise non-stop. Only hear me, Long Island Rocco, young guns we don't play Brooklyn. King of these of the sound where you have the real top and top. Earthy and earth ruler and Brooklyn lock. So something sound and play.
What the Bronx?
One keep quiet, super cloud, rest in a peace and free family that don't be conquered. Used to conquer the black and I'm going to call you young guns sound, a bad boy sound.
We have to make that song play.
New York City, Bermuda. Land, go tell them New York City Rocco, all Brooklyn road boy put in a gun pan. Only hear me, a young guns Rocco, our young guns man that make we beat two shot. Only hear me, a Queens man Rocco, all the man them in a Bronx on the rise non-stop. Only hear me, Long Island Rocco, young guns we don't play Brooklyn. King of these of the sound where you have the real top and top. Earthy and earth ruler and Brooklyn lock. So something sound and play. One keep quiet, super cloud, rest in a peace and free family that don't be conquered. Used to conquer the black and a whole heap of local sound come out and a scent of chat. But when a young guns they out, you know the whole place.
Yes, you know.
We play the
what we say?
Up the whole block. Remember, a young guns rock, young
song killer. Flatbush, Crown Heights, 90s.
Make we turn on some rhythm in the snow. You see one thing about young guns, boy?
Young guns, you dance so killer. killing some jumpers all over. And we no see no son in prayer. That's how we are one them I go.
Okay. We're thinking forget how to play for Brooklyn, though. In a Brooklyn, you have to play a song like this.
In a the clash, a young gun sound, a kill sound in a the clash. So boy no got no talk, I walk with them box full of dog.
Him talk was an easy pushover, Bojo.
What?
Come on, slow, Steven. Many moons, many days. I know easy sound. While you're the dogs and young gun dance down and sing some man and clown and a ghost. Oh yeah, young gun sound. Brooklyn Bermuda.
All who said the batty boy for dead, you see Shabba?
That's when the rumor man of vigilante. Young guns of mix up with CIA. Lack of station, no information, man suspect of play. Young guns don't work for no CI. Boy, he must bust a 45, not an AK. Them have the chancing on the courthouse on display. One TV testify as TV and
you have no tune for young guns.
Make them go.
Yeah. Voice of the one called Big Gangster. Young Gun sound, you know. One team, one world, one order.
All who read Young Guns to one idea right now.
How you mean? Some sound boy balling out. Yes, some little sound boy balling out. Some sound boy balling out. Yes, some little sound boy balling out. But tell them Young Guns are where we need to overall. The way them deal with dancehall. Sound boy start ball. Go tell them Young Guns are where we need to overall. The way them deal with dancehall.
Yeah, let them know.
Young Guns no play for no guy in a no 3-piece suit.
You should have told on upon the stake.
Let me tell Shabba daughter something. Message to Shabba daughter.
Get your mother ball, Young Guns, name your call. Loose and get this beat, tell them story Paul. See me gonna close up like a wall. Get in the pull it out like come on, you could have big or small. With a long or tall, you got this
4 generation.
Me tell him he ain't play some my door, yeah.
No. Oh, so I feel like that.
Somebody tell the pussy this now.
I got shot in skin. Young Guns, tell them you're not doing. Want them, no want them off. No want them, we no go want them off. No.
Message again.
Gunshot be a
message again.
Young Guns sound set. Spadi mama go ball later, don't be me a gonna kill.
Hold on. People, him not play no blood clot music. Him a talk about Bermuda. Hold on. Ladies alone. All the ladies in the clash make some noise. All the ladies in the clash make some noise.
Now give them no break, Young Guns stress.
All who say don't ease up on them, lock off them. All who say lock him off, lock him off.
A sound boy, you a shiver. Young Guns knock it down and out. You're not a good believer. You don't know what the crash is about. You're one like you have flu. Young Guns just chop down you.
You talk about play tune for New York. And you forget to play a song like this. All who read Marissa, man, take you, make them know.
Young Guns.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
You forget to play a tune like this.
With all the millions and millions of sounds in the world, I'm so glad Young Guns can play for me anytime. Let me see when my chips were down, almost next the world.
Show them your style, Kiki.
When I fell,
show them your style.
You quench my thirst. Kill them for me, Young Guns.
I said, take it to the world, Young Guns.
Hey, Shabba!
Mama,
you have tune like this?
I knew one day we meet for a clash. Now I always look forward.
Go up on the boat.
Look at it now.
You can't come with them fucking I know ya. You just take Lady Kaya money. You no voice, nothing. You see tonight?
It's alright with me to kill some. Hey,
cause you're number one.
What tell me? What you want me to do, Young Gun?
Oh, we're gonna kill the sound. Hey, cause you're number one. What we tell them? What you want me to do, young guns? Kill another sound for you. Yes, I'll do. Yes.
New York. Any man here, if you have a brethren, you and your brethren fall out. All the man who say you will never chat your brethren behind them back for 200 years. The smoker fuck me up. The smoker fuck me up. Let's imagine Jakes and the man MC and them a bad mind blood clot Jakes. You talk about Movado, listen Movado, yeah.
What's the man who up and pray so we never make it?
That's why I'm a dead fuck up in New York tonight. You see Shabba?
Bad mind I go kill them slowly. Bad mind I go kill them only. Get them away from good people. Them no want the wrong know me. Bad mind I go kill them slowly. Them dead. Young God,
make we start wake it up now.
When you wait for our land, build some sound in a New York, build some sound in a England. Welcome back to your homeland.
Hey! Last week we went down Miami and play.
Son boy, you go there.
And them leave bad girl marry. You see that pussy there?
You know what? Enough sound go on New York and Miami go but one come back. Say them a bad boy, you know. Yo! Enough of them go Canada, England go but one come back. Say them a bad man. When them a batty man, them go on New York and Miami go but one come back. Say them a bad boy, you know.
All who say Paris again.
Enough of them go Canada.
When you play in New York, you have to play rhythm like this.
When them a batty man.
Someday you tired, you look tired. So this is no competition.
New York!
Young guns killing the sound here. I'm gonna kill you for free. Some boy, you should go home.
Me tell him already.
Go mind your people.
You are not the bad notorious.
You won't know what to do.
Let me take one of the bad notorious artists and kill you. You are not the bad notorious. The bad notorious come from Brooklyn. Get it.
Now jump and
everybody look on Shabba, watch him now.
Hi. Say by the look at yourself, I can tell you're gonna die. Young guns murder there.
Voila. Bad mind for dead. All who say bad mind for dead say dead. Him sit down in his backyard and talk about, oh, me I read the board. Like he be the biggest sound killer in the world. Eh? Him responsible for clash? Like him responsible, oh, me I read the board. Young guns, them a target practice for the board. Pussy, make me tell you, yeah.
What me say. What them I say? Them come for clash, and a crash, and a lose in a life just like that. Shabba, you not read the board. You never read the notice board. You would have
Young guns body.
What me say. What them I say? Them come for clash, and a crash, and a lose in a life just like that. Shabba, you not read the board. You never read the notice board. You would have say young guns a kill your sound out the road. Go read the board. You never read the notice board. Not to us international. Dead out the road. Go read the board. Gonna go read the notice board. I would have say young guns a bad sound out the road. Go read the board. Gonna go read the notice board. Young guns a kill them. Me tell them a Brooklyn man dead.
Now the dance gets serious. Him talk about, oh, he can write song. Now this dance gets serious, people. All who say informer for dead, put one finger in the air. All who say bad mind people for dead, put two fingers in the air. People, me know New York have a style, right? You know they want the clash to go on, so sometimes they don't vote for a song. But you see right now, me want to lock him off. Because bad mind pussy, him have for dead. People, don't make too much noise, because me want to hear it.
Wow, young guns, gunshot in them fucking lungs. Can you hear me now? Good. This is a bad mind story, dirty heart story.
Envious story. This a little Shabba story. Hey. I remember those days when Shabba play Soul Supreme and him head get swell and start bad-minded team. I remember every clash the microphone him want take. Then the passy start believe same badder than Jakes. I remember the clash against Bass at the scene. Run up and down the stage like a big fat pussy. Remember when him heart start pulling up a hate. When the people say I know you but that Jakes.
Wow, wow, young guns, gunshot in them fucking lungs. Can you hear me now? Good.
This is a bad mind story, dirty heart story, envious story. This a little Shabba story. Hey. I remember those days when Shabba play Soul Supreme and him head get swell and start bad-minded team. I remember every clash the microphone him want take. Then the passy start believe same badder than Jakes. I remember the clash against Bass at the scene. Run up and down the stage like a big fat pussy. Remember when him heart start pulling up a hate. When the people say I know you but that Jakes them rate.
I remember when him left and thought he had a big plan, but since him left Soul Supreme him turn a big batty man.
I remember when him run out in a one Power Ranger suit. Try that a New York pussy hole you get shoot.
I remember when him say wow, wow, young guns, gunshot in them fucking lungs. Can you hear me now? Good.
This is a bad mind story, dirty heart story, envious story. This a little Shabba story. Hey. I remember those days when Shabba play Soul Supreme and him head get swell and start bad-minded team. I remember every clash the microphone him want take. Then the passy start believe same badder than Jakes. I remember the clash against Bass at the scene. Run up and down the stage like a big fat pussy. Remember when him heart start pulling up a hate. When the people say I know you but that Jakes them rate.
I remember when him left and thought he had a big plan, but since him left Soul Supreme him turn a big batty man.
I remember when him run out in a one Power Ranger suit. Try that a New York pussy hole you get shoot.
I remember when them say my bill sound from Mount Long, but all them big tuna from Dave and Magnum.
And you never beat them up or even
Shabba! Dirty bad mind pussy, you know shame, little Shabba. Tonight a Brooklyn your sound I go dead now. But girl Marie get shot in her head now. And everybody know KK run the place now. Rah, rah, rah.
Hold on, we have one more tune. Right. Me have one more tune. Me have time, make my tune play. Me get that hot off the press. Cause young guns we try do things different. People again, listen that song, yeah? All who want me lock him off now, say lock off.
Working hours. It's gonna be the guys on Tally Young Guns. Kill sound boy for fun. Mad spider make a boy skin bun. Hey bad girl Marie, better you put on back the red so the people not see the blood stain pan you when Shabba dead. You big up Kaya Sweets and your earth strap. Yeah, we a red tucker, you know them I got dead before long. Little Shabba read the board that run from Jimmy Spliff quick. Just to make Marie got war with KK and take kick. Marie, where you go with this drunken master approach? Intro round you go like in a drinking war with coach. KK get forward for the butcher not the first. Working hours. It's gonna be the guys on Tally Young Guns. Kill sound boy for fun.
This is a live custom, listen.
A boy skin bun. Hey bad girl Marie, better you put on back the red so the people not see the blood stain pan you when Shabba dead. You big up Kaya Sweets and your earth strap. Yeah, we a red tucker, you know them I got dead before long. Little Shabba read the board that run from Jimmy Spliff quick. Just to make Marie got war with KK and take kick. Marie, where you go with this drunken master approach? Intro round you go like in a drinking war with coach. KK get forward for the butcher at the first round. For answer that you spend 25 minutes to pop down. Little Shabba, that you call read the board for true. Even after the vote you get a blood clot boo. I hear you try style Trini people like punk. Tell Shabba this favorite Trini there. All your mother cunt are really young.
Time! All your mother cunt!
Time! Oh. What me call what? Everything good?
Everything spicy.
Lord, my God.
Wow.
Yo.
Place hot. Place hot now.
You know if they come like a crowd a class too.
Dance catchy, Dance catchy,
Killer deep the song, brother, big up. Bumbo clan. The warrior hot. He hot. And we are going to vote around here, you know.
Yeah.
So, but here one. Me feel like more read few flyers than we vote around. You don't want to vote? Alright.
Hold on.
Well, oh my God.
We said short and spicy, don't
No.
We said short and spicy.
Hold on the treasure. You hear what me say a while ago? It look like a crowd of class too. We don't see what I want.
Chico.
Alright.
The people that ready.
Look at some of them there.
Yes.
4th road.
Yes.
And I feed them 20 minutes this. So, on the new morning, go see them with you. On the ready man, girl Marie. Little Saba, defend yourself.
That they are going to do. Sean Bernard, make a look more volume on the talkaphone. You see what I go on in here? I Chico the MC, the man actually killed me already. I'm not playing no song yet.
Third round.
In a real life.
Third round.
This is third round. I'm telling you, say them I go boil down. New York City. I'm telling you, say me know how to play in New York. Them time a man in here. Clash start. You feel like a just so you go. Bad girl Marie, you ready? Yeah.
Come say, kick it. I win some summer, I go do that.
Brooklyn on the ready.
That tour sound in the area.
Yes, it tonight.
Murder again. I fancy the another clash, yeah.
Morning. Me a walk for my wood. Me a walk for my wood. Yo.
Sound I tell them figure right them will. In a this a murder club.
Morning, bad girl Marie. Me a walk for my wood.
National. I come from murder anything inside.
Love it. After me done tonight, I'll be a police outside in a real life.
Sound boy, you there.
Brooklyn!
Police in helicopter.
What them a do?
Looking for Shabba.
Love it!
Soldiers in.
Oh, you not play no ganja man song yet. All of the man them a bun coke and put up your ganja signal in the air.
Sing ding na ding boy. Sing ding ding na ding ding boy.
New York, it just start. It just start.
Notorious of a stalk and sexy maniac. Burning down the dance.
It just start.
I live it.
You can't play a Brooklyn and play the artist here. You see young guns.
Yeah, him live it every time. Boom. Now for them, can't sleep at night. Them all the worry and fret. I tune and two and rest. I try to disrespect.
It just start.
Let me warn him. This is.
Take it on. Him play 99 Buju a while ago. I trick me him. A Brooklyn sound me used to play. Them man Buju par. Me can't start playing my Buju them now. Every ganja man way in here.
You hear me, Notorious International? Give me a helicopter. Notorious International. Boss it.
New York!
Lord, Notorious on me this story board. I don't feel make sense for you. The country my blood. You're red. Blood, you're red. No.
What the ganja man them
mercy. I tell you no. Now we down the plane. We cannot take it on the trail. Give me that sense in me and you make us.
Leper! Oh, you have to mix me up with Coach. Coach drink white rum. Big up all our who par with Ray and him nephew. But when we forward that dance, you know how we do it?
Alright, that's what I'm dead now. Not tour, smart now.
New York!
What we do? Kill soul, we do anything. Smoke a little bit of gabali.
Leper! Boy! No mix up floss and chopper with rummed. We not drink rum. Yeah.
Kill them sound. They wanna know what's my road mother. Brown butter, kill sound and drink anything.
The boy play a couple more for the area. Me tell him no play none. Who know what me done in me as a New York. Let go bass. Let go bass.
Anyway.
Man, hey, keep your points here, boy.
Killer. Amazing grace, shot fly too fast. Sound them a chase, shoot out them beds, case them in case, them try for escape.
Yeah.
Escape.
New York.
Yeah, war is like done sound of no sister.
No mix up, Marie. Him play one baby Shabba say. Shabba story. One of the asked him nothing about Soul Supreme and Shabba story a while ago. Everybody in Brooklyn know me history already. Pussy, you chat too much, yeah.
Talking.
Yeah. Suwana Soul Supreme artist, yeah, pussy.
Yeah, we never ask them, nothing when them tell me. We beg some jump on for east and still they keep talking.
What up?
We are gonna murder them, no skylarking.
What up?
Hey, me gonna
boy, at Brooklyn, you're there, you have to play them song.
We gonna piss out them bladder.
New York City.
Girl Marie, a big gun you carry. None of mercy. As some rascal gun we have over them. And the same thing that poor us them the same.
Because Shabba say fi murder them hate.
Me can't start playing my boot to them now. Chick him. Mr. Brooklyn son me used to play here.
Kingston 13. Steve right and back to white wing and a place to say.
You see the gun them on me carry?
Notorious go surround them. Damn gun so big we not go volunteer one on. From we are 14 man at
Reverend. The father named KG. The daughter named KK. So actually come like it's a alphabet sound me a clash. Pussy hole, you know which one I letter than me rate in the alphabet?
Dave, Mark. Look at Shabba.
What me rate?
Not Taurus. So kill boy.
New York.
Not Taurus, I AK-47. You bust it in a boy head. AK-47. AK. Son, you did that fool, but now you get.
When you're there, Brooklyn, you have to play the artist here. All of who respect Johnny has been right now. Put up the hand them in the air. Him say me now no song. I want this. I want this.
God plays playing in the ghetto tonight. We gonna kill us out tonight.
After tonight, me change my name. My name look at Shabba again. What my name?
Murderer. Notorious a murderer.
You don't remember this?
Sound for me.
You don't remember this?
You are old and
New York.
All to be free. Boy, I wanna be free from all chains and all bangles in
voila. A bag of set in chat and play one more father. Yeah. Yeah.
Your little chatty tall, it's a full of patience. Should I name Bruce Lee to the way you are?
Shut up the sound, Mary! Shut up the sound! Shut up the sound!
Well, actions speak louder than words. Notorious no talk better if you hope so.
Stand! Level! What am I blood clot box? Can you go and let me know the song? If you read good, you go also.
What's the warrior son? No respect, disrespect. In all aspects, I'm so
Idiot! Mr. Brooklyn sound me used to play. All of who want more about you say yes. If you want more about you say yes.
Notorious international sound.
I saw you play a third round. Yeah.
These are the people like booty on display. Sound I'm gonna get the way they gone right away.
Level. People may understand. You see, because a boy, I 10 of them who want the sound there. So it's easy for them to make up some money and voice song. And me and my woman, you know, I'm a G with and Dave, you know. The boy show off, you know. Dream can play more blood clot song than become just a build my son. And me a show off, man. Pussy and me a show off, man. Yeah.
Show up in this place, I'm on response off your face. You are run off the boat, I don't know why you know me well. I know why I neither. Let me bring this back.
Boy, you pick up them Sanya. All I will real king of this sound. Put up your ear.
All fucking cannibal slave. Send them back to them cave. I give them a bumbo clad shallow grave. Not warriors gonna ask so you them gonna take interview. You dead, you this a choosers and we
Fun again.
Shoot us hill right back to Warwick Hill, Nannyville.
Brooklyn, I work me a work for my own.
Until
me a work for my own. Here ya.
You see not warriors no act like no chucky. If you reach them one time and go
Bumbo clot. Take them. A third blood clot round our phone. Me remember how they do that so me right here so. Come morning. And I walk me a walk for my own. Can me see where I do the pan in Brooklyn. But bad selector, you know, here.
You know, say the thing about boss hard, man. Not tour us up on the battlefield all time. Lot of mercy. I'm finished.
KG, you're informer.
You know, say.
You see me?
We have a gun pound we, and whenever we take it off, we are both sitting a sound boy head and them. We have a gun pound we, and whenever we take it off,
New York, here ya.
We say in a them heart. Not us about the gun and boy a pick.
Oh, you feel that Brooklyn and the play them singer? Your blood clot idiots. You have to play them here. New York.
I know it's late. I know you be ready, but I know you planning. Don't include me.
Rapper. You can't have Brooklyn and the play them song here. New York City, I want to play one song, one remember. Who remember this? Who remember this?
Being around the world and notorious gonna kill a son guy. I don't know when, I don't know, I don't know when, I don't know.
Rapper, big up Puma in my place. The artist, I want a Puma artist. All I remember Mega Bantam, New York, yeah.
Boom. Wrong or right, sound boy you see a pretty coffin where you like. Notorious a murder jump on tonight. Done by the breach and plan the night. Sound take it on the first. Wrong or right, sound boy you see a
He's third round. Me a walk 50 me one. Mark A, come here them a general. Cause you're there heavy clash. And use a man, them say don't stream live you know. But use a man people tune into your phone. And I mark your name. And the boy no big you for night, you know. A history me a creating you. In Mongolia, the artist them when then drop out. The youth of the road and the pussy no play him. Brooklyn artist here.
You know, sister Little Shabba roll up him Jonesy. What up to them?
Me not joke. You see after tonight, young guns here.
Man, you see me? Tonight we are got murder the father and fuck off the mother. And we beat and grabber. Tell Puma in a Brooklyn fi kill them little fagger. The drag queen fi dead and the rapper. Both blacker. None of them can't teach Shabba. Mark you have the phone and him there. First round, second round, just be proper.
Son! Bumbleclot! Jesus!
One notorious big sound.
Any Buju Bantam fans there?
On a champion sound. We are gonna jump some.
Everybody will rate LP sound. Put up your hand of the year right now. If you respect Father Puma under here, New York City.
International. Tell them a murder, we are gonna murder sound. Bumbleclot. You a murder, we are gonna murder sound.
Boy! Me say tonight me a walk for my own. Me no care nobody in here. I'm a see. Oh, you fi care knife in a gunfight, you idiot. Young guns.
Notorious son. Gun buckle. Notorious. No fight with non-tackle.
Mr. Me a walk for blood clot my own. I saw it, yes, the struggling hard. But me I get to you, I'm telling you something to you. Some man who look a sound man were there. Me I tell you this. Me a one boy where the can't stop because me have ambition. I get up me come from Kingston 13, Maxfield Avenue. Me fight the struggle and me hold me thing in a real life. You boy KG from Trinidad, go suck your mama till she dry here. Stop laugh with them. Ready? Here. Bumbleclot, stop laugh.
Sean boy, you got dead and bury. Oh, you're ramping, notorious.
But the boy KG, Brooklyn this.
Notorious.
Brooklyn this.
Gunable.
Yeah.
No Trinidad boy can't run Brooklyn. Pussy, you not even bad like Kingpin. And no young gun sound run bout ya. LP, Addis and Earth rule.
I should have blood clot take it. I told me not this woman.
Buy little Shabba the King. Play Bad Kings.
The artist and them step on Luciana shoes.
One boy and clip them wing. A boy for no natural.
New York!
Tell them this. KK, you a gal and you no big woman yet. Say you a gal and you no big woman
yet. Yeah!
Blood clot, none of them.
You have to play the artist when they're there in Brooklyn.
That whole gunshot. I know where you're there. Oh, so we kill anyway if you know that. I know where you're there. Shabba we kill boy.
New York City.
Anyway. I wish for them.
Yes, tonight.
Rise up your mother. Yeah. In a you wanna yard your son and get lock off. Kill him, you a one dead pussy clap. Yeah.
He's Bumbo clot a photo and me a walk. Cause me a worry, yes. Me a worry and me not carry no funds in here. Me know it go. But you see after 3 years pass, we not gonna hear nothing more about young guns. Them they are over 25 blood clot here. And them still in a minor league. 2018 my son come on the road. Officially. Them pussy are about from 1995. Who can't stop me thing. Go suck on the mother. Hear ya. Hear ya. Early. Who can't stop me blood clotting. You see in a Brooklyn.
Well, early Sunday morning. Not tourists kill young guns in a Brooklyn brawling. Early Sunday.
That rhythm your name NYC. That rhythm your bill for New York City.
Notorious International. King Shango representing. We not fear, no boy.
New York!
Alright. Notorious condemn tall like a Brooklyn Bridge. Why disrespect say make sure you're great.
What up?
How about yourself, dude?
Lover! Play my boot to them. In the New York, you have to play this.
International scene.
Brooklyn!
Down mercy. One gunshot bust and we gon' share your for all. Test notorious, your sound rifle. Not to you so easy at all. Hey.
New York!
Watch it now. On the bed and test me now. You don't feel no bad guy come away. Try and test me.
It's a fourth road. When you have them ready, you have to play them in New York. Yeah.
This is the man called Surfwood, aka Ninja Food. Some little idiot song boy. Tell them to run away, you know.
What them do?
Young guns come a war and dead. Not to ever shut off KG head. Some boy come a war and dead.
Mr. New York City type of vibes them here. Me have to play up song them. Yeah.
Let me tell them this.
Yeah.
Watch out. Will we get a big gun fi bus? A big gun fi bus? Cause none of them no bad like they not worry.
Again. You understand again in New York. You see some of them, I'm going to tell you Brooklyn road. You see Brooklyn, half a wood in I dance a sound man, you know. And then they like this when the next youth arise, you know. But when they can't stop my blood clotting, me a warrior. This December, me that Jamra cruise. I go kill every pussy. Young guns now play nowhere. So Kuno Muma till she dry again, pussy son.
Let them just dead and done, man.
Bumbo cloud, now gun man.
Benjamin, them just kill themselves and jump off a press.
Yeah.
Hey, I just say my kill every them we dig up and bust. Just say my kill every them we dig up and bust. But
play a song, Mary, play a song.
Hey, notorious. All them a talk with your blood clot killer. And me a gun dead with me finger on the trigger. Most AR-15, most S10, no them know about that. That tour. From a sound this it a go dead out again. Send for the pussy them on the Mach 10. One in a them face brain shell out again. We a run the place notorious. For to them a just dead out again. In a the
Please. How much more minutes they say? 2 more minutes. Alright, let me calm down the place a little bit, bad girl Barry. Cause that's how we do it in the morning. Take with time and play with some when they're not clean. Yeah.
Ashes, some guy. Wait a minute. Don't even.
Young guns.
Tell
me what can you do to stop
yourself from dying?
Rapper, me a play some song in the morning. I'm not throwing me on because I'm my soul.
Don't take it easy, young man. Don't take it easy, no talk.
Me know the fight is real.
Nobody
look to Shabba now, give up round that.
remember someday. The way you're trying to test up Notorious. Make sure you're serious.
Sang!
Big things, Glen Washington for the big song. Notorious is playing good.
Brad, big up yourself, dog. 13 Britney.
Well, massive, let's rise and shine.
Give Notorious
on the throne.
Keep the funds alive.
But tell Murray, place like same way.
Open up the mic. Them some boy, you know why?
Yeah.
You stick around with vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away.
The next part of this song, them have all I sound man them. We come and dance, we see other sound dead and boo them. Pussy, you can't stop Notorious. That's why me no like you know. You no look a dirty sound man. Hear ya pussy.
Alright then, Chuck. How long them think them a go last with them evil sound and them evil heart?
We are playing with the idiot sound. Yes.
Young Guns are big idiot sound.
I'm gonna shoot them down.
Yeah.
Sound boy is not serious. I said the oldest know you're not dangerous.
Yes, the KG.
And the smoker selector. I pay man one in my cuss. Sound boy is not serious. You're not cantankerous. You're not dangerous.
No. Hear ya!
And if you just are not notorious, we are gonna murder you fast.
Morning song, Murray. Play more song. Bumbuckler.
Oh gosh, now. Oh now, oh hey. Hear this little.
I'm a final song this. Yeah. I saw you preparing
for sound clash.
With what?
From driving your hand. Jolly as you walk along, singing redemption songs, yo.
What am I doing?
When you try to test Notorious, remember this is not a game. I lie your friends, I'll tell you true.
New York City, yeah.
Some fame can't have to win. Better pray that you survive ours.
Stand up with Joe. Holy Emmanuel, I King Selassie, I Jah Rastafari. New York, big up for yourself, member in a December Jamra Cruise. You see what me I say? You see my sound, Notorious International, officially start from 2018. And we are take the time and build with thing. We might not have the bag of sitting with them and rare, but me I take my time and Maxfield me come from me, I get a youth. And me alone and my wife and my friend Dave I spend on this. You see what me I say? And I know pussy a fight me think same way in the music. And me still a hold me lane like zinc fence. Me stand up track with Jah. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I Jah.
Yeah. Shout out to my sister Annie Crystal in the building. I see you, girl. Yes, girl. We ready to vote again? Ready to vote again? Who is a short and spicy for the night for Kaya down?
Wanna know it go?
Kaya hot like pepper, like cayenne pepper. Short and spicy.
Hear me, sir. Big up to both sound. Me not like entertaining. Everybody will forward in here, nobody in the left. That's meaning two sound and play blood clot good. You know what go?
But Chico, somebody have to die. I don't know what kind of
people have to dead.
Hold on. I don't know what kind of war you are dealing with, but somebody have to dead. No. Somebody have to dead. Make noise. Say yeah. Chico, I'm not a person who deal with no friend war. We're not in like a nice, touchy, petty war. Somebody have to dead in that nice place. No, Chico. Third voting round.
You know, yeah, what name? Atomic War.
Kaboom!
You know what go? Schemers, make up yourself, my G. We are going to vote around right, you know. And then we know how the blood clotting go. Because them say 3 rounds lock off. And we still have more rounds to play. And we still have tune for tune. So, it's all up to the people, them. All who say young guns take their own, they put up on the one in our ear, let me see. When they look round. Look round.
Cut off like a coconut. Cut off like a coconut.
Lady Checha.
Cut off like short and spicy. All of a sudden, Notorious take that round. Let me see some signal. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Up!
Look road. Put up on the one. Look road. Look road.
Up! Liar with your sound. Liar with your sound. Somebody liar with them sound. Yeah, man, hold it up, brother. Yes. Liar with your sound. Some people don't have no loyalty, you know, Chico.
Lady Treasure. Are you having treasure?
No, hear why I say that. Because I want everyone to understand that this was a fair voting. At the beginning of the night, I said, Young Guns, everybody make them noise. Mr. Notorious, everybody make them noise. So it was a fair feel off the back. Yes.
Fear
I don't want nobody to say
that
biasness.
Well on the people, big up the two female shooters them.
Yes.
Go on, good.
I love it.
Me nah lie.
I love it.
Me nah lie. Cause here, me see man a play a song and to be a fucker. And me no see none of the human they make no mistake tonight.
True your talk, bad girl Marie. Come here on the song, go up on the stage. Me shake KK.
Come up.
Yeah, man.
Come up.
Cause we not take up the personal.
But
music, you know.
Hear what, Shabba? Hold on. Hear what, Shabba? Me as the female selector elder in the business, I want to make sure that I'm kind of like handing over the torch because I feel good for no say that in future of female selector business is in a good hands. They got a lot of female selectors and I'm going to shoot off the man them. Because somebody's dying tonight, don't. That means a female killed a man selector, don't. Let's make some real noise. Yes, for the girl them. Yes.
Yeah, man, me nah lie.
Thank you, KK.
Hold on then. Don't go with Marie. Come on, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, winner see him wear. Not no change. And big up Sunshine in our building from Florida. When I know it go. People, I years me know little Shabba and Marie. Me I tell about like 18 years. I swear to God, me a country youth, and me a big up everybody we forward from country and town. We are going to read some flyers in a minute, but right now,
hold on.
KK, big up yourself, my friend. Yeah,
the winner of Atomic 2022,
yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Young Guns!
Yo! Lady Kaya,
don't leave, the dance is not done yet.
Let me excuse myself for a minute. Lady Kaya, hold on. Lady Kaya go present the trophy. You know it go. Let me excuse myself, Lady Kaya. Do you think?
Good morning, everyone. I want to thank everybody for coming out. Big up Little Shabba, Bad Girl Marie. Congratulations to Young Guns, Kev and Bad Girl KK. Congratulations for Atomic War 2022. Please don't leave. It's my birthday and let's celebrate.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Make some noise for Young Guns.
I want to thank everybody. I want to big up Treasure the host. Big up Venom Y2K. Big up Team Torment. Big up DJ Chico and my Yared family. Big up every songman, every artist, every promoter that helped push this to make it possible for me. I couldn't do it by myself, so I thank you all.
Shout out to the Addies, man.
Yo.
Hold on. And shout out
to
the Yared family.
Hold on the Lady Treasure.
Shout out to the 360 Ladies family. I didn't even pick up my own sound. Shout out to 360 in the building. Yeah, my brother Nick.
Hold on, 1 second. Don't forget, November 19th, Clash Battle Royale. You don't know. And don't forget Dollar Fridays, each and every Fridays. The one day up and going. December 10th, Black Hawk Crew. You don't know. Jagger, big up in a short brother. Convict. When I know it, go big up every sound man there. Marky, Admiral, me daddy, me teacher, GQ, total package. Big up Team Jamaica too. You know it go. Schemers, big up yourself, me.
Hold on, Chico. Hold on. We just want to say Brooklyn, thank you. And we just want to say one thing. Little Shabba, Bad Girl Marie, big up on yourself. The reason why we went hard is because we know on our bad sound. When KK now start play music, a bad girl Marie she a watch. So big up bad girl Marie each and every time. New York, big up on yourself. On the 19th, the Battle Royale. Look out for Culture Blake King Klepto. Young Guns to the world. All Young Guns people make some noise.
A Young Guns, aka the world champion.
Yeah, well I know. Well I know, cause we just want to say you see in the music. Cause people this are gonna live on, you know. Let me tell you, Notorious merge and large out 2018 officially. You see me? We are keep forward the clash, you know. In a Jamaica, not my place. Cause you see Brooklyn, them serious road, you know. Hey, you see when Brooklyn people are pray, them pray for life, you know, man. I tell you no. So guess what I go do? Before me send me a bar starch, we have to go do the warrior down a yard. You see me?
Ready, Pete?
Young Guns, aka the world champion.
Lady Kaya, big up yourself. Happy Earth Strong.
All right.
Next year we right here.
Large up Big D, Madan, Stevie, Demos, Wiz, Timmy. You see me? Oh, them boy they come try. All of them go die tonight. Now,
Victory song.
I want to step cross on the big sound, Young Guns. Come done some boy another clash at tonight. Mad. Oh, mama. Oh, papa.
This are the anthem. Listen.
The first time Scooby come on New York, link with Stevie and the two of them attack. They make a call to KG at Trinidad. Now Young Guns come and they run the place mad. Young Guns are the dance champion. Him a war every sound on the land. Young Guns are the world champion. Well sound in America, also the Caribbean. Young Guns are the real number one. Oh, yeah. Sound boy I walk and I run up them.
All right, people. I was told not to leave. We have the club till 4 o'clock. Enough woman there, enough selector there. Make we juggle some tune. We have the bar. It's a birthday party. Make we party now, man. Let me juggle some tune.
But that's why I say, big up to Kaya. Today's our birthday, November 5th. You know my birthday, November 6th. I could have been anywhere celebrating my birthday. But with the atomic war, Kaya, big up yourself. And you keep Stone Clash alive. Yeah, wow, nice. Big up Camouflage Stone. The sound for life. Brrr.
Yo, I have to request this. Lion Entertainment. This is my little big sister. Big up me ears where you see she? Sound Clash Queen of New York. Not just the Bronx. New York Sound Clash Queen is. Wanna put some respect for Kaya Sweets, aka Kaya Yarid. We love you. Yo. Couldn't stand this. Tech Line Sound, Queens, New York. We have to pick up my sister, Lady Kaya. Look around and see how India was full up of people for your Earth Strong. Everybody roll out. New York, New Jersey, Florida, Jamaica. Everybody are roll out to support Lady Kaya. Lady Kaya, big up yourself for your Earth. Love and respect you. Big up Young Gun Sound on the winning. Bad Clash. Bless them.
Kaya, are you Earth Strong? What a war. The war is serious. Big up yourself. You know say love always to the Snow White family. Big up Father Natty. You know it tingo. Right now, Kaya world. Me tell you about your dance. It's a go sell off. Cause you're real. You understand me? Once you're real, you know say everything is blessed. Big up yourself. See me love you. See?
In the birthday celebration, I need the Kaya party. Same way go.
Happy next birthday to Lady Kaya for real, man. All of the Yared sound them. Yeah, man. Lady Kaya, we love you.
So just you guys have been watching. Thank you guys for logging in tonight. So the class nice. The class not too quick. Wow, we don't know what one. But musically entertain. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Big up Lady Kaya, your birthday class. Today I'm a birthday too. I could have been anywhere. But we love Sound Class. Sound Class, live on. Can't dead. Sound Class can't dead. No matter what I say, Sound Class can't dead. That's it. Big up to everybody who has support Sound Class and book Sound Class. We love it. Big up Team Torment. If you want your class stream, bad, take Team Torment. Bad is streaming, bad. Camouflage sound for life. Never sell out.
How you like the class? How was the vibe?
Listen, I haven't traveled to a clash in a long time in New York, so this is well worth the visit. Well worth the cousins I'm gonna get for come out. So, yo, the clash was wicked. Young Guns set the bar high for a one-on-one clash with the way them prepared, and I appreciated that for my money and time. So, yeah, man. And again, Kaya, respect. It was a wicked event you put on. Everybody showed a love, guys. But that's how Kaya show people love, you know what I'm saying? So, yo, Kaya, respect, man. Love you to the heart, for real.
Respect. All right, you see the people, that's what it is. If you guys are looking around once again.
We have one in the time. And if you feel like you have your computer when you want to roll out the man.
Once again, the sounds here. People, once again, thank you guys for purchasing the stream. Thank you guys for coming through. Thank you guys for purchasing the stream. And we try to show you guys a little bit of angle and everything. Right? Venom Y2K played excellent tonight. Let me see if we can get an interview with KK.
How was your vibe from the class and how did you like it? How was my vibe from the class? Yeah, how did you like it?
Well, I was definitely very confident. I was very excited, and I used it as an opportunity to really show class who I am as a person, to bring out my vibes, my energy, and I had a lot of fun.
So once again, thank you. Congratulations. Anybody you want to pick up?
Thank you so much. I just want to say a special happy birthday to Lady Kaya. Enough respect to Notorious, Don Shabba, and Bad Girl Marie. I want to especially thank my father because he always works with me. We work together, and it was impossible without him. I want to pick up my mom back home, supporting my whole family back home, and everyone who came out to see me tonight. Thank you so much. Enough respect.
Congratulations once again. Congratulations to Kiki. Congratulations. Mixer International in the building, yo.
Yo, the vibe of the class wicked. We will have a daughter. And she said, Daddy, we want to you don't play for kill sound too. So you hear me the one? Yo, the woman them in numbers. Baby, how you like that class?
Big up Mixer International. People, we're about to call it. We're about to call this a night once again. Thank everybody for logging in. We're about to call it a night. Big up the... Big up this fella right here. That flew all the way in.
for Bermuda, yo. You understand what I'm saying? Soldier One in the building. Show the trophy, show the trophy. People, we got little Shabba in the building. All right, people, like you see, we got the sounds in the building. How was your night? How did you enjoy the night? What was your best part of the night?
Every part of it was the best night. I want to thank everybody for coming out. Big up every promoter in the world. Big up to the two sound Notorious. Big up to Young Guns. Congratulations to Young Guns on the win. Thanks to all the songmen for all the support. Thanks to all the artists for the support. Big up LP. Big up Yared, big up every Stereo 5, big up Tech 9, big up every sound. Big up Team Torment, big up Y2K, big up Treasure, big up DJ Chico to the world. Next year, November 5th, again. Thanks.
So once again, people, big up the sleepy guy, DJ Ace in the building. Big up DJ Ace. King AP family, King AP. We got Silverstone in the building. We got Silverstone in the building. But people, we about to call this a night. I know Lil Shabba said he wanted to do an interview afterwards when the music turned down, but we gotta hear. Yo, big up Puma in the building. Oh, hold on. Big up Puma in the building. Hold on. Puma.
Well, first of all, big up Team Torment. You know what I say? Jagger and the whole crew, bless up on yourself. The vibes of the clash, vibes was nice. It was good to see two women, and even though them get Shabba, they get locked off, them play good same way. So it was good both ways. Children, so the host can give some more information about it.
As a host, I think the clash was amazing. I had fun. It was spicy. It was nice. Everybody came out, and I love how the sound cut some costumes for the dance tonight. The costumes was very creative and entertaining.
Congratulations to the host, one of the hosts. You know what I'm saying? Steve Torment, this up for yourself.
So once again, big up Kaya and her Earth song. Big up Kaya and her Earth song. Once again, this has been Team Torment. Yo, this is what we do to make things happen, man. Big up to Jaka right now, working the boards, working, making sure everything is working right. You know what I mean? This is what we do, people. I know it looks simple sometimes, but we do our best to try to make sure the stream comes through properly, the sound comes through properly, the video comes through properly. You know what I mean? Not a fly-by-night thing, and we make sure we make it happen. Big up the entire Team Torment family, and most of all, shout out to everybody that purchased the stream and support Sound System Culture and support Team Torment. Thank you very much, people. We out of here. If you want to hear a little bit more of juggling, we don't keep it. But right now, we about to go. We got to go.